Chad, it is Wednesday, and it's going to be an absolute horrific day to be a bad day and to be a TP, unfortunately, but we are ready. Keeks, how are you feeling, my brother?
I'm feeling good, brother. I'm ready for this one. And you know what else I'm feeling good for, bro? Is the fact we've got 9 accounts to give away today.
Chad, bad. It's going to be a bad day to be a giveaway as well, because giveaways are going to get clapped. When did that happen? Did that
We
happen
hit it in New York session.
Yeah,
Okay, guys. Okay, to be fair, I made a deal with the guys yesterday. I said we'll discuss it, but I said maybe we give away like 5, because majority,
okay.
and we'll give away 3 because there is some guys that only can make it to New York.
You know what? Why don't we do 9 and we do 9 during New York?
Someone's feeling cute today,
what do
guys.
you guys think? 9 9 during New York. Only thing is you can't win twice. So
I think that's a fair deal.
If you win during London, you forfeit your chance to win during New York. Are you guys happy with that? Let me know if you guys are happy with that. I hope you guys are. I feel that's a good deal, Keeks.
I feel like that's a good deal.
I feel like we're not driving a tough deal there. Chad, it is Wednesday. I hope you guys are ready. Break even yesterday, Keeks. I don't know. Did you guys take anything yesterday?
No. The move we wanted played out a bit later, but yeah, didn't get it on stream.
Chad, 9K, baby. Again, just a quick audio check here. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Keegan, 1 2.
Oh, 1 2 1 2.
Chad,
testing.
How's the music? Music levels good? Too soft? Too loud? Let me know. And again, before we start, really want to thank you guys. You guys are the ones that make it possible for us. 9K, beautiful. Each and every one that have been with us since the start. We want to really thank you guys, even for the guys that have just joined recently. Beautiful community that we are building here. And again, we're not building this for us, for me and Keegan. We're building it for the community, for everyone here. Everyone has a role to play in the 2Gs trading community, and that's the beauty of it. It's not a single effort. It's a collective effort where all of us come together here on a daily basis. It becomes like family, and now the next part of the family is the Project G, and hopefully by next week we will actually see a lot of you guys. Slashy, Jex, Dylan, most of the guys, Jeremy, everyone that's in Project G will actually be on a call with us.
I know Fob's there. I saw Jeremy signed up yesterday or 2 days ago. I know Jeremy's in there now.
Jeremy's in as well. So it's going to be awesome to put a face and a voice to the name, and that's going to be the other side of it, getting up close and personal with you guys. And yeah, thank you so much. Keeks as well, thank you so much.
Of course,
every single day, in and out. 2 streams, Chad. I've said it before. Not easy. A lot of respect for Keeks on that front as well, doing 2 streams. It's not tough, Chad, but the thing is to facilitate a stream on its own, keeping guys engaged while we wait. That is the tough part. But without further ado, Chad, we are also going to thank the creator for blessing us with the ability and the favor and the opportunity and the grace to be here every single day. And also we're going to say a big thank you to Vault Market, Vault Funder, for sponsoring, the official sponsors and the carriers of the 2Gs, also the official broker partner and prop firm partner. And at this stage, if you're not trading with the best, you can't be the best. That wasn't a script, that just came by itself. But Chad, let's get started here. It's already 5 minutes past 8. So our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses. We forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory in Jesus' name forever and ever. Amen. And you guys already know that we need just 2 amens, because the word says, where 2 or more are gathered in my name and they are in agreement, there I shall be, and my blessing and favor shall be upon them. All right, we already have 3, so we are already 100% ahead. Chad, economic calendar today. Keegan has got some ideas here. I've got the same idea, but we'll see how we execute on that idea. Looking at what we've got going here, GDP slowing in the Australian markets. We've got the Kaixin Services PMI out of China looking very, very hot. That is a good thing for the Chinese markets. ADP employment change a little bit later, expecting a drop from the previous release. So already maybe setting up. Holy smokes, gigs, now it's a little bit too hot in here. Sorry, chat, I can't even breathe. It's like 35 degrees in here. ADP employment change, expecting a drop 173. So that's pointing potentially lower for the NFP reading. We're actually going to do a little bit of on Thursday. I'll just do a quick analysis for you guys. And then obviously we're trading it live with the G's. But I'm going to show you guys the correlation between the ADP employment change and actual NFP release. So there's some correlations. So for those that want to go ahead, go check the dashboard for ADP. Take that dashboard. You can put it into a spreadsheet. You can go and take the actual release of the NFP. And there already you are an economist. That's what economists do. Let me not go into that. I just got the tail in this morning. But anyways, Chad, interest rate decision in Canada, expecting to cut as well. So remember, we've got Europe, ECB potentially cutting. We've got Canada cutting. Remember, who was the first major central bank to start hiking rates, Chad, in the chat? Let me know quickly. Who was the first one?
Who's going to get the brownie points here, Chad?
It was not The Economist. It was... I can already see I'm going to flare up some emotions here this morning. Canada, Ruben. You can see Ruben has been here for many. Kalen. Beautiful. Canada was the first one to start hiking, so they're going to be most probably the first one to start cutting. So keep an eye on Canada. We weren't streaming at that stage, but I followed Canada very closely, and I knew back then that especially North America is going to follow, so America is going to follow after that. And then 4 o'clock, Services PMI. I haven't taken my vitamins. Let me just put them here so I can remember. Keegs, anything else on the calendar today or anything overnight that you saw that you want to just let us know about? So
I think nothing really there, but again, I know a lot of guys asking questions about yesterday where I explained to the guys news coming out bearish as we called, but then having the bearish move and then trying a little flip bullish, and I'll explain to you guys that's just a little bit of volatility when it comes into these volatile weeks with major news events where markets are trying to price it in, but news events are fighting against it, pushing it the other way, so it creates these volatile markets. But once it consolidates for that little bit, you will get the act of the true direction. And as you can see, DXY turned bearish, gold went bullish, NASDAQ went bullish, US30 went bullish. So it did play out to how the news did come out. It just consolidated a little bit because of that volatility.
there you go, Chad. DXY on the day. I'm still bearish. Why am I still bearish? We're still below this 200 daily EMA. We've talked about the 200 daily. Let me just get this mic where I want it. 200 daily EMA key levels. So keep in mind we're still below that. Yesterday closing bullish, taking out the low first and then closing bullish. So for me, DXY is still bearish while we hold below this key level there, and also while we hold below the weekly S1. Same key level as yesterday, 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right, 4 hour now. Interesting. Keegan actually mentioned this gap here yesterday. So we've got this open gap. Big question is, do we come and close this gap before NFP on Friday? Or do we actually go for that gap fill on Friday with NFP? That's the type of questions you need to ask yourself here. So looking at the 4 hour, we've created a new low. We're looking at market structure. We've pulled back. We failed to create a new low from here, and now we're pushing up. So very likely you can actually see that today on the 4 hour, this lower high is going to get clapped. I can almost guarantee you that. I can almost guarantee you that we are going to trade somewhere here later today for the dollar, 104. Weekly S1 going on the 5 minute. Is the music fine, guys? Let me know. Keegs is fine in your ear. I just
fine on my side.
Okay. Chad, are you guys fine with the music? Just want to make sure it's not too loud, taking away from the analysis. But for me today, very simple for the dollar index. This right here, if we can hold that weekly S1, we are going bullish for the rest of the day. Yesterday, I mentioned to you as well, we've got this zone, and I said this is the zone that if we can hold through that zone, we can go bullish. Let me just give this some shading there. I said if we can hold above this zone, dollar is going bullish, but if we can't hold above it, so there was a lot of chop in that zone, very, very choppy yesterday. So again, very similar today, but it's a lot easier today. We only have this tiny little zone to monitor here, so keep that in mind. Just want to do something here quickly. There's this other big guy that almost broke my back. He uses this thing called EQ. That man ripped into my back yesterday. Okay, it's down there. Chad, believe it or not, my back was a little hurt. I didn't know Keegan has got a brick. This man is a big boy. US 30. Let's look at US 30. Neutral to bullish yesterday, guys. I don't know if you remember. I was neutral to bullish. Go and watch the analysis yesterday. I'm not an economist, but I do have a little bit of econ background. Just while we're on this, guys, if you know about car engines, that does not make you a mechanic. Red Bull is not going to phone you up and say, come and work on my cars. You having knowledge about the economy, I did Econ 1 and 2. We had a very good economist with a PhD that lectured us. It still does not make you an economist, or even at that, a good economist. It just makes you a commentator on the economy. Having the ability to know what's happening in the econ book and applying that to trading and actually conceptualizing an idea into actually taking a trade, two completely different stories. I can tell you all about economy, the economy. I can tell you about everything there is to know about economy. But can I conceptualize that and think critically what to do? So please, 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 please. No ego here. We are all here to learn. Yeah, anyways, daily. Bullish. Alright, Keeks, happy with that?
I'm happy with that, bro.
Because I see there's a lot of economists. Why are you on a YouTube stream looking at two random guys from Port Elizabeth? Should be working at a bank. Anyways, Chad, let me not get into trouble here. Okay, 4 hour weekly pivot. 4 hour looking tricky here. 5 minute. Sheesh. Okay, Asia highs up here. Asia lows down here. Weekly pivot down here. Yesterday rejecting that weekly pivot daily. Alright, Chad, I think this is the weekly high. Is this the... Ooh, it is. Okay. Chad, let it simmer. Let it simmer. You don't want to do too much here. Let me just see. Okay, this was the previous... Where's the previous daily high? I just need to chat. Let me just do this real quickly. Give me 1 second. Okay. Yeah, there was the previous daily high. Alrighty, so we at the previous daily high, chat. You already know what happens at a previous daily high, weekly high, session high. If we cannot go higher from here, we are going to pull back. So keep that in mind. I'm going to let this simmer. We're going to let the markets open up. Let's just do this real quick. Okay, Nasdaq. Yesterday I was neutral. Okay, Chad, beautiful. What did I say yesterday? Who was here in the morning session? I said very tricky section that we are going into. This little section here, I just want to reiterate this. As you can see there, and we closed there yesterday, and I said very easy for me if we close above here today. We have, so very simple, bullish for me. Just keep in mind that we can pull back to retest that, even retest the weekly pivot and still be bullish, chat. So 2 consecutive bullish candle closures. I am bullish. Very simple. There we go. 5 minutes. Let's check the 4 hour. All right, 4 hours looking clean. 4 hours looking real clean. I would love a pullback here to Asia highs to that key level. 5 minute. What do we have here? We've got a beautiful Asia range. Nasdaq already coming down. I would love for Nasdaq to be a little bit later. That is the level that I want to buy at 1816, 18620, 18616. Bullish on the day. Just going to check Hang Seng closing up 0.3, Nikkei closing down 0.9%, so a little bit of a mixed bag. But over to my boy the economist, all the way from Quebec. He got his econ degree in life. Keeks, just move your price tab a little bit left there.
I'm just gonna have to watch out,
just
bro.
a little bit left.
I might also have to go in Botswana or something. Apparently that's where all these guys go. If you're really successful at what you do, you go to Botswana, you get yourself a golf, because apparently that's where you've made it. So we'll keep a lookout for there. Maybe one day, bro, we'll strive for it. But on the DXY, guys, let's talk about this. So we are still quite bearish. Again, there's 2 things we're going to look at today. So again, we want to start talking about pricing in. This has been quite a big talk about lately. A lot of guys don't still understand what we always say when we do that. But there is a lot of chances that things can do this and almost be your fake outs. So going over to what Chris was talking about with the news today, especially correlating to the DXY, you've obviously got that PMI coming out. And the thing is with that PMI, guys, it is set to come out higher, and I am looking for it to come out higher. But again, when we start talking about bigger pictures and monetary policies, these are not going to change the outlooks and the outcomes of those things. So even though I actually do also see it coming out dollar strength today, even if it comes out higher than expected, or even if it comes out flat, that is still a bullish move for the dollar. Similar to yesterday, I don't think it will hold, and it will actually land up flipping. So that's where it's going to get quite interesting, because why I say that is there's 2 things that can happen here. We can almost have that fake out. Who knows, it could even jump that much and go push for this gap fill, as we said, and then flip and go bullish after that. Or it could be a simple case is on the 15, the fact we are trading right here, as you can see, Asia lows set, retest, hold the EQ and the daily pivot are right on top of each other, test your or set your Asia highs, immediately break it, and that one momentum trading up now. So again, you are getting these lower lows the whole time, lower highs, and what we can see now is long push. So again, we can see that R2, if we get to a point of this R1 and we don't reject, we can see it basically hold and trade more bullish for that R2, and that will give us that gap fill that we were talking about. And then the big move, as I say, something we might even get is, let's say for example the R1, we could consolidate there, knowing there's quite a bit of dollar news today. That dollar news could almost cause a spike to the R2, for example, if we do get that gap fill, and then the big flip going into the rest of the day. Obviously, keeping in mind tomorrow is Thursday, so I can almost guarantee you in my books, tomorrow going to be a bit more of an inside day. We can kind of see that one coming. So today might be a little bit of a chance to catch some moves. Tomorrow, inside day, pricing in for what's to come. But guys, we're gonna see the big move to the downside. So already on the charts is the R1, and we want to see these weak Asia lows being tested for the move downwards. So just keep a lookout as we are bullish on the news today. But again, we do see it flipping in the bigger picture.
Can we just change Keegan's title to head economist at 2Gs? Okay, is that you, Keeks?
I don't know, bro. I've got indices.
Okay,
so with the indices, guys,
okay.
I am bullish. We've been talking about that yesterday. We had the bullish move. That's obviously what we were talking about the whole day. Unfortunately, the move coming in a bit later. So as you can see, our move was kind of about, this is where all this consolidation was happening the whole time. The third time lucky, obviously, we took 3 touch, 1, 2, 3. Then that final break came in. There's your retest on the zone, hold the support, and there goes the buys. So personally, what I'm going to look for today, guys, is the nice pullback. We want to see it hold the support level again. It's 18,600. Now, I know that seems like quite a big move, but as I said, considering the fact that tomorrow we are actually looking to see an inside day play out, today might be the last chance for big moves. So on our weekly candle, you're obviously going to have big moves coming from today and on Friday, if you think about it. So today being that like second last chance, we could be the big move to the downside, kind of wicking out a lot of guys. As I said, we could trade, just consolidate around this zone. That news, if it does come out bullish, that's the big push to the downside, and then look for the buys back up after that. If we do start breaking underneath this zone, so if we don't hold it as support, very simple, we look for the continuation sell, a break, hold as resistance, and sell from that point. So daily pivot, the support zone again becoming my POR for the day. So we're going to set some limits here at 18,600. Then if the US 30 again as well, pretty much bullish, guys. If you look at this on the daily, there is your buy continuation. So your pullback, a little bit of a pause, another day going bullish today, now open. The minute, if we even close like this today, that is your buy continuation to go back up for the rest of the week. But when we're looking on the 4 hour, we can see again just bullish momentum, just been carrying on from the whole week. So again, the thing we talk about over here, you traded bullish to this zone, held as rejection. Second time around, if we talk about it, and what I always say, if you can't get away from a zone and you more likely price is showing you it's not allowing the sellers to come in, probability will tell you we are most likely going to break this key level around this time and not be rejected. So again, we've tested it now, same thing, Asia lows untested. We can see that big sell-off coming in, very similar like we did yesterday. Seeing the indices actually moving quite a lot in the London session, so we could get almost about 50% of the move, maybe even the weekly pivot already, but I'm going to say about 50%. A little bit of consolidation, a bit of a pullback before news, then that sell-off, wicking that weekly pivot again, and then see if we can hold. Same as Nasdaq, if we break, you're going to look for the break, retest as resistance, continue. But if you fake out, hold the support, you can see that move back to this key level. As we say, we want to see that break. So some big moves loading for the indices. And then lastly from my side, I'll just do gold quickly. We are still looking pretty much neutral. And why? Again, guys, I said to you yesterday, we're neutral because we are in a range. And the thing with ranges, guys, you need big volume days to break those. And we haven't had that yet. Again, that is most likely what Friday is loading for. So on the 4 hour, what are we looking for here? Again, 23.32. We came all the way back down, held as support, now trading back up. So what, guys, I'm pretty sure with the magic number, you guys should be able to tell me 23.40. That is our area today. That's again what we're going to have to look out for. So right now we are trading back down. Personally, I think Asia lows will be tested. The fact that they aren't, you've got a support to retest. You broke away, you want to retest on the higher time frames. Then from there, if you can get around about this daily pivot, you can look to go long again, going into the New York session. And as I say, 23.40, the make or break again for gold. So I think this whole week until we have NFP, that is going to be the number we have to keep a lookout for. But that is pretty much everything from my side, guys.
Alrighty. That economist life. Chad, here we go. Give me 1 second, Kicks. I just want to get something up here. I don't know why I always miss this juicy stuff. Our stream is relatively quiet. You know what the weird thing is? That daily crypto live dude, he's not banned, but he's chatting to himself in the metaverse. So he'll most probably, dude. You know what? I was thinking about it yesterday. That crypto live guy. That is what's the name? P1. I can almost guarantee you it's P1.
It would make sense, bro.
Because he was on about the crypto thing. We also put him in the metaverse. And then, when was it? 2 months ago when he messaged me and he's like, bro, can you guys see me in the chat? I really want to add value and I apologize for coming in hot the previous time. And I'm like, dude, I honestly don't know how to get you back from the metaverse. Like, we can't see your stuff. He's like, he's chatting and he's like going on, but nobody's chatting back to him.
I must say, hey, I feel like that is the ultimate troll with YouTube. Actually, the fact that you can't actually ban someone.
No, bro, that's the thing.
You just ban them that it's like they're not there. They become a ghost. So it's like you can be there, but no one can see you.
And
no
they
one
like,
can interact
and
with
the
you.
thing is, they're punching the air chat. And it's like, wow, these guys not mad at me. Look at what I'm saying in the chat. And it's like, bro, you're a ghost. We can't even see you. So beautiful. Chad, daily time frame. Here we go. Remember what I said on gold? I said very likely we are going to be stuck in this range up until NFP. And why did I say that? Just look left. Previous major release, we did exactly the same thing here. Also stuck in that little range and then exploded higher out of that range. So I'm expecting the same unless we start driving now to price in a NFP result and then obviously reverse it on Friday. So neutral for me on the day. 5 minute time frame. Let's quickly look at the 4 hour before we go. So Mo obviously took a buy here somewhere. Hope he had a massive stop here, but Mo, or maybe I hope he averaged in here. 4 hours still very rangy. 5 minute time frame. Let's look at the 5. We've got the daily pivot here. We've got the weekly pivot up here as well. That key level. So very, very tough range here. 80 is starting to fizzle a little bit. Relatively flat, but not showing any clear direction. And I'm going to go on a limb here and say that if we fail the weekly pivot here early this morning, things are going to get quite spicy to the downside for gold. Also looking at the grids for me, very simply put, I want to either take some shorts here and either I want to take some shorts here. Keeks, you bullish, bearish gold?
Still neutral, but I want to see what happens at that 2340. If you're gonna, I'm gonna say more bullish outlook because we want to test all those and then go all the way back up. So technically more bullish.
Okay, let me just bring this across chat. Apologies. Sorry, somebody asking me yesterday how do I do this, and it clicked me now. Sorry if I didn't answer you yesterday. This is called the anchor text. If you go to the left hand side here by text, let me just do that before I forget. You see there anchor text, so you literally pull your anchor text there, and then whatever you do, if you scroll, that text will literally sit there and you can just play around with it. You can put a border on whatever and that will sit wherever you move it. So for the gentleman asking yesterday in the chat, there you go. Completely forgot about that, but there it is. Yeah, so gold, this zone here, Chad. I almost want to say this zone here. This is going to determine what I do for the rest of the day. Buys above here. Let me do something like this. Buys above there. And sells below here. Let's do something like this. What am I doing? And we have officially just landed in Spain now. Chad, we're on our way now to Barcelona. Alright. See you guys in Las Ramblas. Get some coffee there on the promenade. But there you go, Chad. Very simple. GBP USD. Let's quickly look at it. GBP USD daily time frame. Yesterday I was bullish. But also I mentioned that if we're going to continue bullish, we need to close above that weekly R1 and that key level. We rejected there, so technically still bullish to neutral, more neutral to bullish. So neutral to bullish still. 5 5-minute time frame. Let's quickly check here. Oh shit, Chad, we missed the open. Chad's markets are open and in motion. Ding, 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 ding. Round 5. It is round 5. No.
Yeah,
It is round 5. Fight. Okay. GBP USD 80 starting to look bearish. We've got the daily pivot there. We've already taken Asia lows. This makes it tricky. We're going to wait for that to settle into the open. Daily on Euro, still bullish, still taking out highs, just weekly R1 rejecting. Daily, I don't know what it's saying, bearish, but it is neutral to bullish. Neutral to bullish, we just need to hold above that key level for us to continue higher. 5-minute time frame, let's quickly look at it. 80 is starting to flatten out here, no clear direction. Daily pivot up here, key level up here, that is the level to monitor. Very simply put, Chad. Otherwise, if we start rejecting Asia lows, we are going lower, UJ. And now we're on our way to Japan, but anyways, a lot of things going on here. Oriental pan flute with some strings attached. Shish, started off so well. Chad, I'm actually bearish to neutral, and I saw an interesting stat yesterday, and I'm going to tell you guys now. Remind me if I don't get a chance to talk about it, but hedge funds have their largest net short position since 2008 and 2009. Let me actually put it up here. Institutions net short, and now guys can say, oh yeah, institutions are on the wrong side. No, my dude, institutions have been riding this weakness for how long? So that's why what's going to happen now, they're going to start selling. So they were net short on the yen for a while, let's say even from year 2022. So they are basically in profits all the way from here. So what's going to happen now? They're going to start selling their positions. But yeah, Chad, let's talk about it a little bit later. Let me just get through the analysis. I'm going to tell you why that is important, their net short position, and how we're going to look at the COT report as well. Let me just do this. Here's a lesson that no economist is going to teach you. Let's just do this so that we can remind ourselves to look at the COT report. I want to show you something there where extremes basically indicate long-term swing points in the market. Okay, daily neutral 5-minute time frame. Let's look at it. We are trading super bullish on the 80. We at this 156. We at this R1. I'm gonna wait and see what we do. 156. That's your level. Yen pairs have just been moving out of sync with the times. Daily GJ almost done, Chad. GJ. Very interesting, still neutral, retesting this breakout zone for the first time after filling that wick. So it is a very interesting level for our time frame. Weekly S2. Here's my thing. If we reject the weekly S1, we are coming back to the weekly S2. Weekly S2. All right, and then let's quickly see. I'm gonna say, yeah, let it simmer, Chad. Let's see what we do at 199. And then EJ, last one. 5 minutes already into the session. EJ is bearish, Chad. EJ is bearish. Got a little bit of a mixed bag here. And I'm going to tell you why it's bearish, just purely if you look at it from a market structure point of view on the daily. Let's have a look here at the daily on a line chart. And then tell me what you see. Is this not some type of market maker, the M formation, or whatever they call it, and then this year taking out a previous low? So that is the shift, also taking out a previous intermediate high. So all that really happened is that the market failed to continue higher here. Some will say this is the market maker pattern, whatever. It's just a range chat. Price just literally closed back inside of this range. And now what's going to happen if it can't hold above that range? It will now just seek out to fill out the next range. No rocket science, nothing special. This is what I'm going to show you guys, how simple it is to get your daily buys. All you're really seeing here is you're seeing a deeper pullback to come and retest that breakout level. And I'm just going to put it out there. If we cannot hold above this level, 169.30, we are continuing bearish today. Chat, 4-hour time frame. There you go, 4 hour, very, very clear. So let's check this weekly S1. Let's check this 169.30. I think the 80 could be a little bit elusive here, Chad. But let's see. If you're going to be very aggressive here today, I'm going to say shorts below this box. Very aggressive. Two ways. Shorts below here. Shorts below there. Otherwise, if we hold this weekly S1, this thing has got some legs. But Chad, that is the analysis. DXY on the move. We're going to give away 9 $10,000 Vault Funder accounts, and then we're going to do 9 during New York. So stay tuned for that. We're not going to give it away now. Maybe we give it away in increments, or maybe we give them all away right at the end. Maybe we act like the stream ends, see who's the real ones, wait 5 minutes, come back on again, and then do the giveaway. I don't know. We'll see what we do. Let me just go through the chat. Yo, welcome to all the first time visitors, all the new guys, all the OGs. Thank you so much for joining. Ron Wayne Jones, I don't think I've seen you yet. Welcome. Wayne, good morning. Easy to destroy a friendship. Just last week you were all friends with Shaq in the chat. Now man is excelled. Yeah, just dude, I don't know how that happened. Man was still planning on joining the team last week, but anyway, I want to show you my COT spreadsheet formulation. Chadwin, show it to us, please, my brother. If it can help the community, drop it in the Discord if you would. When you want to pretend to have a big D correction. Kingsley Malesi, good morning. I don't think I've seen you. From Barcelona to Japan. Rux, that sounds like something I want to do. Jakes, that's what happens when you have a big D. Nah, the man is somehow hated on another level. No, I'm just feeding into that. I'm just taking it this, my bro.
Who's going on about it now?
No, guys. I'm just saying from being one of the chads to being sent to Japan. Chris, I used your US 35 minute strat 2 days and I TP on both days. No, man, Kalen. Don't tell me these things. Are you for real now? Chad, as I mentioned, previous daily high right there. So if we can't hold above here, Keeks, seeing that you use the EQ, did you ever look at fading the previous daily high, for instance, like this now? Same indicator, but that was the previous daily high.
Yeah, that's what I looked into.
Because here's the thing, if you can't hold above it, that's what I always say. Okay, Chad, I think I'm caught up with the Chad. Thanks for all the training. Geez, you're starting to change my life in trading. Stefan, all a pleasure, my brother Chris. Your face looking leaner. Training, really, bro? I think it's this light. No, man. Wayne, do you want that account before we actually even do the giveaway? My face can't be looking leaner. Really? Damn.
Hey, Chad, I think you guys are getting hooked up here. When you think about 18 accounts that are given away here, I think that's 18 winners here today, Chad.
Yes, Wayne. Wayne, what do you want from me, brother? Chat to me.
He's raising me up here, bro.
This man is raising me up. Wayne, chat to me, brother. What's up?
Hey, Grayson, morning, G's. What's up, brother? Good to see you.
Who's that?
Grayson. One of our, he joined Project G yesterday as well.
Grayson Ditlau. All right, Chad, markets are open. I hope you guys are ready. Kalen milking the 5-minute strat. Kalen, I need to actually backtest it for real now. The reason I say that is the forward testing already is showing me. Let me see.
Yeah, just answering Tio over there. Vault Funder doesn't have a Discord, brother. I want to try the website inquiry, trading rule, and nobody email replies to me. Keep in mind, brother, I don't know if you are from South Africa, but obviously we run on our business hours here. So if you don't message them after business hours, they are not going to reply. But the support is open now, so they should be getting back to your email shortly, brother.
Looks like, as predicted, beginning of the year, eating 10. Vince, you did call that, eh? Vince, you did call that. How can I get one Timberlake to an event set by June?
Before the end of June, 10K.
Yeah.
Bro, as you said, you know how crazy it will be? Like, if that comes true, like we were talking about it, we will be hitting 10K doing the 24-hour stream, and that would be in the new building, in the new studio. Like, it would be levels, bro.
Wait, where did somebody say support's not getting back to them?
Tio.
Where? I don't see. HP Stain, welcome, my brother. We've seen.
Go up a bit. Tio Tao.
Tio Tao.
It's a blue.
Chris, does
icon.
Vault Funder have Discord group? I went to the website, inquiry trading rule, and nobody email reply. No, we don't have a Discord group, Tio Tao. Please make sure that you email support@vaultfunder.trade. Some guys have been emailing the no reply. The email's name is actually no reply, and guys email that, and they're like, "Oh, support's not." And I'm like, "Yo, dude, send me screenshots." And it's like the guy's sending messages to the no reply. Inquiring about a trading rule. And then also, Toyota, what you can do is if you go onto Vault Funder, if you are not sure about anything on Vault Funder, we've got the FAQ section. This gives you the majority of it as well. And then also what you can do is go to the terms and conditions, and you can actually go and download the terms and conditions. So everything black and white on here. And literally, if you really want to go that deep into it, you can go in here as well. And you will find all of the questions you have. So please go and check it out. And yeah. I'm looking forward to the 24-hour stream.
I'm also excited for it, bro.
We already chatted about it yesterday. We're going to get another webcam. Maybe 2 more webcams, because I don't think these cameras are going to last 24 hours. So we're going to maybe get 2 more webcams, 2 or 3 more webcams. So 24 hours. King Shaq said he's in. I know Jeff is in. So we're going to be 4 guys streaming. I know Mo is in. We'll do chat. It's going to be like a LAN back in the day, but for traders. but without that pepperoni pizza smell in the LAN hall. I don't know if you've been to a LAN. Me and my one mate years ago, he was that typical frat boy. He played wing, was chiseled like a Greek god, but he also loved gaming. And the one night I think we were matric, so we acted like we're not these gamers. We just play first team rugby and get the goals and whatever. And then we're like, bro, but we also love gaming. And it was at our school, and we pitched up there like 9 o'clock the night, and like we knocked on the door, and the Oaks opened up, and they're like, holy shit, it's Dan and Chris. And we're like, boys, can we join? They're like, yeah, you can join, but yo, Keegs. That was literally not even the guys who were literally sweaty. I'm not talking gaming terms. Like, there were like 70 PCs in there, Utenake, no aircon. It was moist in there, Chad.
Nah, bro, the landing days were wild.
Chad, the moisture level in there. Imagine KZN, Durban, summer, and then multiply that by 10.
Oh, Craig, morning G's. I've been here for a while, just always been the quiet one, but I just say thanks to the chat and the G's for the confidence the stream gives me in taking trades. Also, brother, that's what it's here for, but we're glad to have you out with us.
Craig, beautiful. I've not seen Robin. Yeah, pepperoni, bro. Imagine that pizza smell. That was also the first and the last LAN we went to.
Bro, I don't know if my boy, if Carl's there in the chat. Bro, that man, so we grew up together. He'll even tell you, bro, we used to always have our LANs together. He's a witness to that one.
Carl who?
Bester.
Okay.
We used to, bro.
But it wasn't sweaty though.
No.
Was it? Ah, was it sweaty? Damn, bro. It was sweaty. Don't lie, you sweat. It was a sweatshop.
Bro. When you were landing at that age and that time, you lived there, bro. All you did was the fingers with all the chipped grease on it.
Bro, yeah. And then you lick it and then you just wipe it with your hand. You take that greasy hand and you wipe like the... Yo, bro.
Oh, bro.
Horrific day to be a keyboard. I did tell you guys, I must actually phone Dan, that mate of mine, good friend of mine from Cape Town. So here's the thing, bro. Even till this day, he loves PCs. He actually builds like these exotic PCs and then sells them just for the fun of it.
Okay. Is this that guy that I think was going to buy a PC from?
Yeah. So, so he basically does like benchmarking or something. So you can actually benchmark your PC and see where it ranks in the world. Everybody that uses the software. So I think his best build was ranked 4th in the world. Anyways, it's like a weird hobby to do. But anyways, so we have a LAN at his house and everything is planned, and this one mate of ours, but he was always that guy, was late and he came there, and that man plugs in his PC keys and immediately just the sirens go off, like things are going south in terms of viruses.
Kimsley, if you look in the link here or the description with membership G, when you are signing up, it will tell you there everything you need to send. So your reference is your phone number. Obviously send from your email address, so we can have your email address, and then send your Discord name and Discord email address with the proof of payment.
Kimsey, I'm going to be with you now. Carl Bester is in the chat. So Dan flipped. He ripped out that LAN cable and it's like, bro, you cannot come in here defiling our PCs with your viruses. Bro, that not end of friendship there. He's like, you should have known when you come to a LAN, you make sure your PC is clean. He's like, pack up your shit, you're leaving my house. I'm like, bro, are you for real? He's like, bro, the guy's name was Jean-Pierre. He's like, Jean-Pierre, bro, take your PC, phone your mom, you're out. I'm like, yo, bro, is that not? He's like, no. Everybody, we said you come clean here. Like, you make sure you've run antivirus. He's like, now you come and fuck up the land. But anyways, no, that man was tough, bro. And then JP got touched, and Dan was like, bro, you can't get touched. You know the rules. You do not come here with a defiled PC with virus. And then it's like, oh, but my sister's brother, not my sister's boyfriend's brother's sister came with the USB and she had a school project, and that's maybe where it started. It's like, nah, bro, you done. Tells his mom to phone JB's mom, come pick him up.
Yo, guys, I said just go check it out. That create order should be working now.
Yeah, it's
so
fixed, guys.
Just go check
It's
it out. I did put a message in the group this morning, but yeah, go check it out.
Oh yeah, so guys, Kimsley was asking yesterday, what is 2Gs? What is Project G? And in very simple terms, think of it as, I don't even want to say a mentorship. Think of it in terms of a community. Think of it in terms of the thing with the mentorship is that I find a mentorship very different to what most guys call a mentorship. A mentorship is, for instance, what I did with Neil last year, where it was literally just me and Neil. We would go onto a Zoom. Neil would phone me. There was direct contact. That is a mentorship for me. This is not a mentorship because there's not going to be there's going to be one-on-one, but it's not like we're only taking 3 people on with Project G and we're purely focusing on the 3 people. It's still a collective. We are doing software for TradingView. Fransha, again, big shout out to Fransha Beetge. We're going to punt his business as well. Web developer phoned us up. Was it 2 weeks ago, Keeks?
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, he said, bro, I heard you guys were looking for somebody that can do Pine script. I want to do it for free. And I said, Fransha, absolutely not. We don't want anything for free. And he was adamant. He said, listen, you've done so much for the Chad. Let's do it for free. And I said, okay, let us at least punt your business on you. And let's, we're happy to pay, but we don't want anything for free. We want to also plant a seed. So Fransha's joining us here today, 11:15, where we're going to build out an indicator for TradingView that is specific to 2G's trading. So that's going to be special as well. And then there's going to be a free version, and there's going to be not a paid version, but a version for the guys in Project G. So that's what we're going to do. Then also there's going to be a library of videos for you guys to watch in Project G. So it's not a course, it's a continuous mentorship and learning. So those videos are going to be available. The website is launching tonight. Keegan did the final markups yesterday, the final copywriting yesterday. So the website's going live tonight. There's going to be a membership on the website. And remember, the end goal with all of this is to have that app. The end goal is to have the app where there's a news feed. There's going to be, for instance, economic indicators that's based off what we think is going to happen. For instance, for the day, stating, for instance, this. If you click on DXY, it will basically say 2G's economists think that the dollar is bearish on the weekly and bearish on the day, for instance. So all of this, there's a big plan that we have, and ultimately it's about the user experience for you as a trader. And then also TradeZella, we are gonna basically do it better than what they've done it in terms of the data. So giving you all of this data, so that's also something we're going to build. But this is going to be, we are going to pay for it as a business, but this is going to be available for all the Vault Funder clients. So I think for currently you pay almost, it's quite expensive. Oh no, it's cheap. Okay. Oh no, it's not cheap. Fuck, what am I talking? 1,000 Rand a month for journaling is quite a bit. That already puts you need to make 1,000 Rand to get your journaling done. So for instance, all of this value will also be for free for the Project G members as well as the Vault Funder clients. So that we're going to develop that with Francois. So when are the gaming streams? Hey brother, I had a chat yesterday. I think we're going to start off with 2 teams. We definitely want a 2G's data team. We definitely, let me just get that Discord. I was chatting to the one gentleman last night. What's his name? Why can't I see his name? Again, it's just Al. Al, but yeah, so Al, we're gonna start a data team. And then I saw some guys in the gaming channel. Anyone playing X Defiant? Okay, we've got another. Why is it doing this? Now it's C dot. What is happening here, my brother?
What?
Now all the names now are just like the first letter and then just dot.
On what?
On Discord. Oh no, they might have changed their names. Okay.
Wait, where are you looking?
Oh, Robin, was it you? Was it you, Robin? Beautiful. Yeah, so we need a... I'm going to play position 3. We need a position 4 and 5 and then a 1 and 2. So... yeah, I'll play 3. We need a 1 and 2. And then a 4 and 5. So I'll be the anchor. Gold cells. Let's check. Alright. Gold cells incoming. Well spotted. HB. Just gonna wait for the break here below. US 30. Nasdaq. Okay, let's see gold. Chad, could be a very weird day again. Yeah. We're gonna still go through that COT report. Look at the yen pairs. My goodness, look at that. Weekly S1 as mentioned, if we hold above this we can continue higher. Let's see, shuffle has come and gone. Valid continuation trade. Yeah, let's see if we get another retest here. Anything is that wick there, that could have been your break even point. 7 pips. Okay, need to start locking it in here. Weekly S1, yeah, on GJ. Is this the week? This isn't the weekly high, chat. No, it's not. Daily high though. Sheesh. Okay. That makes things obviously a little bit more interesting. Yeah. Let's do this.
Stefan, Keys, what time will the call be tonight? Chris, what time do you want to do, bro?
No, I'm easy. I'm easy.
I am
I'm gonna
at home because obviously I
can't train.
can't train out tonight.
Chad, what do you guys prefer? Maybe the first 2 ones we'll go and play by ear, Keegs, and I think then we'll set a
a set like
Yeah,
time every
just
time.
to see that we can have everyone on there. Somebody was asking me also that's in the group, asking will the calls be recorded for you to view afterwards, and I said yes and no. The reason why I say yes and no is if we really feel like the video was good, we'll record everything every time. If we really feel the video was of good value, that will be uploaded to the database. But if we feel like there wasn't, or if it's something we've already shared and there's already a video done on it and there was no additional value added, then no. Then unfortunately it will not. But again, then all the other information will already be in there. Can we do after 7:30? We can. I had a PC game in LAN aspirations. Saw guys in sleeping bags at the Rage. I changed my mind and bought the PS3. Trading View Essential. I think it works out around 400 and offers bars replay. Alright, chat. Get ready here. Get ready. Get ready, get ready. Gold cells. Tissy now it's going to be unfortunately for Trading View, but it's going to literally be especially for the guys that don't have what's the name, a paid version. All of this will be on there. So we're going to condense like 7 indicators, almost 9, and then we're going to add, I don't want to give away too much because we've got a lot of lurkers here on the stream that have zero innovation in them, from other brokers and other companies that literally sit here every morning and try and see what are we going to do next to try and leech something. So let me just put it this way. Think of the Discord, think of the education section, think of the process, think of all of this, and then imagine how this can be all translated into an indicator, the trading plan, all of this. Think that, and that is what we will be doing for you guys. KB, no, I don't think we'll do a free trial. The issue with the free trial is it slows up the server. And also it just drives up the cost. Maybe at a later stage KB will do it, but the thing is you pay per account, so it's not cheap just to hand out accounts. Like if you want to see a demo, you can ask me. I'm more than happy to pop up the Vault Funder account on here if you want to do a trial.
Wick ZA, any advice to get Funder as SMC trader? My brother, unfortunately, I don't think myself or Chris can help you there, as we neither of us trade SMC, so I can't give you advice on how to do it as an SMC trader.
So just for KB, maybe we just do the standard practice every day, or maybe I will do a stream account that we can take the trades like this on the terminal with you guys. But for instance, this is gold. I'm going to execute the short here. I'm obviously short bias, so just as a demo, this is not chat. I'm not taking this on my live account. So going to execute. There you can see there's the execution on the bid and ask. Let's do US30 here quickly for that brother that wants a demo. I want to sell this, so I'm going to sell it. There's your execution there. Let's do US Tech quickly. Let's buy US Tech, so we basically go opposite ends. GBP, JPY. This is bullish. Let's buy here. There's your buy.
Chris, James just saying hello.
Hello. GBP USD, let's go sell. There you can see the sell, and then Euro USD, let's go buy. Alright, so I hope that gives you a little bit of confidence, and then also you can more than happy to ask the guys in the chat. And then we'll also get, what is a trust pilot?
I'm surprised you lasted that long, bro.
Who's that?
You.
For?
Before you changed the song.
Oh, you know that song. What's some of the ways we can go about passing the phases of Vault Thunder? Very simple. Just make 10% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. Chris, STC vanaand, nee. Ek weet nie. Is there a new stop loss rule with Vault Thunder? No. Wow, that's insane. What is insane?
The stuff we're going to package all the...
Oh. Yeah, chat. So, I do feel like the execution on Vault Thunder is some of the best you'll get in the industry. And even with Vault Markets, they are the leaders when it comes to indices. Indices and gold, very, very good execution. Yeah, gold is solid. Soon as I see Fractal Boss of EU, I want to buy. Okay, Fractal Boss. A boss of the Fractal. How long does the first payment on Vault Thunder take? Usually 24 hours. Within 24 hours. We've had it where the guys get paid within an hour. Just depends on how busy the finance team is. Keeks, email sent, brother. Thanks.
Oh, perfect. I'll sort it out there for the person.
It's like drinking, you pay to feel cuck later. SMC. Hey, Chad. SMC. Hey. Yo, who is this
Coming
guy?
in hot.
Who is this guy? Nefix.
Coming in hot.
Do you know that Netflix needs to go rest, my brother? YouTube must just delete that guy's profile. Alright, guys. DXY. What is DXY doing? DXY at that awkward zone, similar like yesterday. US 30, as mentioned, if we cannot hold, this is yesterday's high. If we cannot hold above yesterday's high, this thing is going short. Nasdaq, now this was yesterday's high up here. Gold, now at the daily pivot, here at the daily pivot, and also the 200 EMA. So keep an eye on it. That's why I said once we break below here, you want to see a retest and a failure here. So we're going to give it a couple of seconds here. GBP USD. Okay, Asia highs. Only thing I do not like, Asia lows have been taken. We are now at the Asia high level. 80 is not bullish at all. That's the thing. 80 is not telling me, oh, I want to get into a buy here. But also, this is very interesting. And then Euro also fighting for its life here. UJ, okay, UJ grinding. GJ grinding, yeah. EJ. EJ. This was a potential setup. I think I would have hit break even, Chad, if I'm honest. I think I would have hit break even. Yeah. The reason why I say that this was the session high, I would have 100% gone break even here. We would have executed here on that continuation break, and this thing was also already more than halfway to TP, so I would have gone break even, and then the market would have said, Chris, wait for me, I just want to take you out real quick.
Wait, hold on, I'm sorry, I'm so confused here.
What's that?
Darren only got engaged now.
Darren who?
Dix.
Oh really?
Wasn't he married?
No, I don't know. I don't follow him. I don't follow him, unfortunately.
Hectic.
Hey, man is locking it in.
The one TP he can hit.
Hey. Chad, let's give the man a little horn there. Are they still? Is that still a thing that Jay Naidu and Darren that collab?
Bro, I must say, hey, I don't know.
That
I
collab.
never see anything, but at the same time, I'm also blocked. So
Oh yeah, we can't see.
yeah, so it feels like they're quiet. But meanwhile, it's just we don't see their stuff.
Let's check here. Yeah, starting the day at Bootleggers.
What's up, boy, doing?
No, it's just the. Oh, Chad, I don't know. Here's my thing, especially for the guys that are watching from other brokers. Let me just give you a tip, if I can give you a tip. You do not have to tell everybody that your broker is the safest, the biggest, the quickest, this and that. That's not what clients go for. Secondly, if you go and look at Red Bull, the brand, and I've said this so many times, have you seen any advertisement on the Red Bull page of their energy drink? If you go onto the Instagram now, you will not see a single thing where they say Red Bull gives you energy with the amino 5 acids and this and that and all of. No, they're not even going to tell you about their product. Their product is not there to, that's for you to go and read the label. So you telling me, oh, this broker is the fastest, biggest in Africa, no, that's irrelevant. You need to create community. You need to create brand loyalty. You need to create engagement. If I see a video and the first thing you talk about is why I trade with this broker is because this broker's spreads are so good and I just feel so comfortable with my withdrawals. No, dude, no. Build something that's bigger than just stating what it is the car can do or whatever. BMW's adverts, Porsche, whatever, they don't go on their advert and state new M5 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. No. The thing with BMW is to create the ultimate driving machine. It's the experience. The car, even though as much as it's about the car, same with Steve Jobs. When he talked about Apple, he never mentioned to you the features of the phone. Never. He basically, when he did his keynotes, he basically painted the picture as to how this product is going to basically intertwine with your day to day. How this product is going to make your life better.
Yeah.
He never came out and said, new Apple iPod, 10,000 songs. No. That he left to the dev guys. When he sat down, he said, this is what you're going to do. You're going to have your song. It's going to be, there's going to be podcast start from Steve Jobs. That's how ahead he was. He was like, how do I get a radio onto the iPod? And then he made a podcast. Dude was so ahead of his time, it's not even real. Okay, gold, Chad, let's see here. Yes, Nathan, guys don't want to, again, a broker is a broker. A broker is a broker. There's nothing different from the one broker to another. The one's got maybe a better spread, but what's going to keep you at a broker? That's why sometimes when I chat to brokers, I say, why do you want to spend so much time on marketing? How many registered clients do you have? Okay, I've got so much. Why do you need to continuously get new clients? It's because the clients that you had either had a bad experience, or you're not retaining clients, or you're not giving the clients value. What do clients need as clients that start to trade? They want to be part of a community. They want education. They want to feel like at least they're getting some type of edge in the market. Because what we're doing here, that's why many brokers have chatted to us to say, listen, you come across this, we'll match everything, we'll put something on top, whatever, because they know the value of it. We hardly ever say, oh guys, please trade with Vault Funder or trade with Vault Markets. No. You see us use the brand. You see us engage with the brand. But other than that, we are here daily for you guys. And that is why if we ever want to move to another broker, all of you guys would follow us, because we would vet the broker. We would make sure that the broker is up to standard. And because you guys trust us, you will trust the broker. And obviously, if we trust something, we wouldn't put something out that we don't trust to you guys. Because ultimately, that's the thing. It's a family thing.
Yeah.
Everyone in here is family. Yo, who ended up winning the funded? No, we're still doing it, Clixie. Clixie low-key looks like an OnlyFans account. I don't know. Geeks, they got a profile pic. Sorry, Clixie, I'm just apologizing now already. Facts. All right, chat. It's again, very, very, not even choppy. It's just nothing happening here. I'm going to wait for GJ weekly S1. Actually going to set an alert here. Weekly S1 21. S1. Chad, I'm literally just waiting. If we get another rejection here and we break below here, I'm going to take a short here, guys. Something like this. 10 minutes left for the hourly. Yeah. I'm going to take a short. If we can get something like this, I just want to measure here. Yeah, I'm more than happy. Let's put a little candle there, something like that. I'm going to short, and ideally what I'm going to wait for is I'm going to wait for a top wick. And then once we get that top wick, I'm going to short, and we want to see this intermediate low break, and then we want to see this low break. And then we want to see the daily flip zone here. But yeah, that's the plan. Keegs, over to you. I just want to quickly run to the bathroom. Give me 1 sec.
Baby brother.
Please don't sell the guys on Project G-Wagon.
Project G-Wagon. Spread the training guys. I can win a blade chat for once after months of attempts. Forbes, that's the thing, bro. If you're gonna have 18 winners and you can't re-win, I think you got a good chance there, bro. You just got to choose a good number, bro. Just choose a good number. Give me one. I'll do the same. We are in due of a win, my G. Hey. I already took the shorts on gold. Hey, the man just jumping at it. Thing is, guys, for me, as I say, higher time frames, shorts. As I say, you've pulled back, had a bit of a pullback, and now trade down. Sorry, had a pullback. You can see take that low now, but again, hasn't confirmed anything as of yet. DXY, there we go. So as you say, guys, you want to see a trade up or straight off the bat. R1. So again, we already said R1s on the cards this morning, and then we'll see where it's going to go from here. I'm also smoking a Buddha coffee. I only have red coffee at the office. 69 is a good number. Indices are moving nowhere, holding Asia lows. US study tested Asia lows. So that's what I say, guys. DXY can move, but in theory, it doesn't mean it's strong though. So let's see. Is it going to work with number guessing again? Clicksy, yeah. It's just the easiest way with Nightbot. Choosing a range, select a number. It's just the easiest way to do it. What you calling gold? Caleb, I'm looking for Asia lows to be swept and then a bar after that. Let's do a random one today. What, like a random winner? We could do that for like one of them. I still can't create order keys. Yo.
Okay. Give us till after the stream.
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna be on it to sort you guys out with it. King, what music do you listen to when you gym, or do you go David Guard? No, bro. I need my music. I think there's a time and a place. I might do hard style, but I think majority of the time I'm more my rock music and my rap and stuff like that. Like you got to get angry, bro. You got to stop playing with those emotions when you gym.
But you just say you gotta get
Gotta get angry, bro.
gotta get angry.
That's the difference. These guys sitting there listening to Taylor Swift, and then he wonders why like I'm moving him with my pinky. You gotta get angry, bro. How's you guys joining for the first time? Hey, glad to have you, man. It's hanging. Yo, bro, as I say, we are trying to sort it out as quick as we can for you. We thought it was sorted out, so as I say, just give us the after stream, and then we'll have a look into it again. The music depends on the intensity of the workout. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So a lot of the time, my hard stuff is normally in the very beginning, like when I'm doing my compound exercises, and they can ease off as I go into the session. Oh, Keegan, I agree. Gotta be quiet and motivated. Exactly, bro. Please make a playlist for myself and the others in the chat, please. I'm tired of listening to Afrikaans to our gym. Yeah, guys, we could do that. We could make a playlist and then drop it in the Discord.
Chatting in, yeah, it's my wife's birthday, and I just want to publicly say happy birthday. Awesome wife I have. Get it to okay. Really somebody I look up to and somebody I really cherish. And that's why I said it's very important, guys, to get a good life partner. Because a life partner can or break you very quickly. And especially as men. My wife was there with the good and the bad. And I told you about the mincemeat days. I've told you about the hot dog days where we lived on hot dogs. Because it was so cheap. You would buy the red Viennas, those cheap ones, Chad. The ones everyone's like, hey, have you seen what's in the Vienna? Yes, I've eaten that Vienna multiple times. Even boil it a little bit in water just to warm it up, get some of that salt out of it. But yeah, from those days, Chad. From those days, having the DSTV bucket, the one, the Indian one, where they don't tell you there's only 5 Indian channels on there, and Super Sport Zone 1, not even the real Super Sport. I think we paid 120 Rand for it. It's like we had that was before Netflix, Chad. So yeah, really wanna say I appreciate her on a public platform here. If you follow her on Instagram.
And a shout out to Mrs. Dix for getting her people to get us to 9K yesterday.
Hey, she really got her people. Chad, you know what the weird thing is? I think I told you guys my wife's Instagram is littered with trading stuff.
She's going to become a trader, bro.
And I don't know if it's because it's my old iPhone, but literally on a For You page. And this is where I actually saw now. Remember, she's not traded at all. And she showed me this one female. And she's like, Flip, I want to do a course with this lady. And again, it's like, and I asked her why now, just like randomly to see what a new consumer is like. And she's like, no, it looks like this lady knows what she's talking about. And this female trader was posting like a lot of educational stuff about trading. And a page looks, thank you so much, a page looks very well coordinated. And that already, my wife's like, no, I think she knows what she's talking about. And I'm like, bro, this is like baby pip stuff, but that's what gets a consumer in.
That's like the little hook there.
Andre, are you asking? So, I don't know if you follow me on IG. I actually did a video. This is
Bro, I love it. Actually, laugh so. The other day, I promise you not, that video came on my For You page again.
which one? The
Your
lots
lot size calculator. I promise you not.
Which now recently?
Recently.
No way.
Bro, it literally
No
was. It
way.
literally was last night or the day before. I promise you.
So they're re-pushing it.
They're re-pushing that thing. I'm even gonna look now, bro. I want to go see on my For You page if I can find one of yours.
Yeah, Chad, like I said, this video, I honestly thought like the only reason I'm doing it is for this reason, Andre. I saw it was for gold. Gold and Forex, you said yes, Andre. So have you seen both, eh? You've seen both.
It's not there now, but I promise you it was there the other day. Literally the lot size calculator one.
Yeah, I can't do this guy. I can't. Sorry, man. I can't. The guy's obviously put in the grind there, but I just can't. but is it the same with Nas? No, I did one for Nas as well, my brother.
Oh, you did one
Wait,
for
whoa.
Indices, yeah.
Andre, let me bedazzle you. Hold on, Andre.
This is our Chris.
Andre.
Chris pushes his content, guy.
Andre, don't go away. Andre, hold on. Wait. Andre, I'm gonna bedazzle you. I actually did 2. Oh, damn. Why did I switch the comments off? Is it if there's too many? Oh, Andre, not ready.
What? Do you know what this is about? Attention, Forex traders. If you're a signal provider and you are selling Forex signals to clients, there will be new regulations starting which will affect your business and your ability to sell signals legitimately. Please DM me, JP, so I can help you get licensed and regulated, take you to the next level. Limited spots available.
JP who?
JP.
Wait, what JP?
JP.
I don't know. Wait.
Justin.
Oh, okay. See, he's getting creative there.
I think I know where he's linking it to, but I'm just saying, like, if it is something else. Boys putting in the work. You gotta sweat.
Chad, that's somebody I know Justin Paulson very well. I know a lot of guys don't like him. Very solid guy, actually.
I must say, one thing about him, I mean, I met him twice, then obviously we were there. And for someone that's like super busy and all that, he's very like upbeat, very like energetic. Not compared to someone you think is just like a doers, and like because he's so busy and just doesn't have time for anyone.
No, he's a solid dude. Let me put it to you this way. I owe my journey to Justin. Like I told you guys, when I started in the industry and I had some business ideas, he's the one that backed me many years ago. And the thing is, Justin was always the guy that will help you. And I need to be very careful here what I say, but his brother was the one that let me just say, if there was a good and a bad, Justin was the good, his brother was the bad. But let me not go any further.
I didn't even know you had a brother.
Yeah, his brother is the owner of Trade 245.
Wait. Weren't they talking about this when we were doing the pods? So I'm sure that came up in a conversation somewhere.
I think when we spoke to Jared, so Kurt is his brother. And Kurt is just another dude. Let me keep it. Chad, here's the thing. I'm very careful what I say and how I say it. Not that I'm scared of anybody, but there's obviously ways in how to do things. So very, very solid guy, and I don't think anyone has ever told his story really. Like the thing with JP Markets, whatever, that's a big story. But nobody has told the story of how he started. How he started as a account manager with ACM Gold, a broker. So he was literally the guy that phoned you if you were a client. Hey guys, it's Justin Paulson. Hope your trading is going well, whatever, earning 15K a month and commissions. And then seeing a gap, ACM Gold closes down. He chats to FX Primus. FX Primus gives him a white label, and he's technically an IB for FX Primus. And how he grew to to the business where it's at now. Very passionate about the Forex industry. But yeah, dude was literally earning 15k a month. Literally did a white label option with FX Primus.
But I would say that one of the things you got to give us, you got to give the credit and respect where he hustled.
Bro, the dude hustled. The dude hustled like it's nobody's business. Which Justin? Paulson. Yo, Paulson. Justin Paulson.
I still laughed where Jared was talking about it in the interview. When are they posting those interviews?
I don't know.
But where Jared was going, yeah, like people just saw this man with a spiky hair coming out of nowhere. Like he just looks like a scammer. And then he's just like, yeah, but when you get to know him, yeah.
Yo, my boy Justin, he rocks that wet look. He's still my boy Jay Swiss, he's the real J Money. The other J Money thinks he's going Justin Paulson is the real J Money. The mana is deep in the industry. Yeah, here's the thing, Chad. There's again, love Justin Paulson. Got massive respect for him. But my thing, as always, with a broker, with any broker, I don't care if it's Xness, I don't care who it is, Chad. If a broker is going to do bad business, they're going to do bad business. And you can't stop that. Even if they are regulated in 9 different jurisdictions, ultimately, it is what it is.
Bro, but I was thinking about, hey, you know the one thing I always say to people, where I will at least, again, the thing I say is a solid oak, is the first conversation we have with him when he comes to sit there with us, when he first checked if we were okay and then chatted with us a bit. We started talking about the cars because his Raptor was outside. And we started talking about the cars. Chad, does this man not? Like, bro, I promise you, he's like a kid in a candy store. How excited and enthusiastic he is going on about this Raptor. So we're like, oh, that's dope. But what about the Ferrari? And he looks at it and he goes, a Ferrari's a Ferrari. And he just carries on about the Raptor. And I'm
I was more excited about the Raptor than the Ferrari. It's like, no, solid guy. I will get him on. He is just very, very busy. I will make a plan to get him on. Obviously, I think they're expecting another baby now very shortly, so it's just tough for him with the wife and everything. And if you've got kids, you know it's difficult to travel. Like, you can't just be away from home for multiple days on end.
Kimsley, please send us in the chat the email address you're emailing to, because I've got a feeling you don't have the correct one. There might be a spelling mistake or something, but I think you don't have the right email address.
Yeah, bro, the weird thing is, all of these broker owners, they started way before me. Like, I've known all of them for many, many years, but they go back to like the even before Sandile, what's the other white guy that was with Sandile? I think it was GFX, Global Forex Institution, started strip clubs. What's the guy's name? The white dude. I think it was GFX. But anyways, Chad, the Forex industry goes back years. No, it goes back to George van der Riet. There you go. George van der Riet. Chad, it was free game back then. No, the boys ripped into it. Yeah, Chad, I think we'll try. Let's I'll push with Justin. I'll see if I can get him on. I'll see if I can get Justin on. IBs are prostitutes for brokers. Yes, 100%. And the reason why brokers love the back then with ACM, they had a USB with courses on. That's where the major key got the idea. Oh, okay. Yeah, the reason why brokers love the IB model is it's I think Fubs can help me here in accounting terms. It's what do they call it, Fubs, when you receive the service pay later, the delayed. There's a specific name for it in accounting. So instead of paying you now up front, I pay you after you've given me the business. So after I've received my money, it's like, okay, shit. Here's your 20 or 30% of the revenue you brought in. So there's no risk to me as the broker. There's only risk to you. Let's say you host a seminar, nobody signs up with the broker, or you've got 20 people, all of them blow their accounts in literally one trade. The commissions is 200 Rand. The event costs you 15K. Not really accrued income expense. There's another name for it. Overall call for gold, Caleb. Overall call for gold is range. That's our overall call. Is this range? Wait, let me just do this. I know you want to get in a trade, brother. I'm with you. I want to be in a trade, but I cannot take a trade if I do not have my entry confirms. So as I mentioned, we are technically within this range. That is the range that we are stuck in currently. There's the body. So there's literally 4 days where we bounced off this level with the bodies. And there's literally 4 days where we bounced off that level up ahead. So it's technically very rangy. But I will say that we've got this intermediate range. And this is the intermediate range between year and year. So if we stay below 23.40, very likely we're going to come tap this 23.24 level. And what I'm waiting for is, I told you, I'm looking ideally what we're going to do outside of this box. So now seeing that the 80 is starting to flip bullish, now it changes my perspective a little bit in the case of now we could potentially go long. Should I have gone long here? Not necessarily, because at that stage the 80 was still below the 200, but again we were holding above that level. But also again, if you look at it previously in the session, look at that, when we closed above the 200 and just came back immediately. So I wouldn't have jumped at this trade right here, even though this is a bullish continuation trade. After that retest there, I wouldn't have jumped at it. So I'm going to patiently wait. 23.35, that's another level where we can try to get long. Otherwise, if we fail here, this is just a pullback. Remember when we talked about it, localized highs, where localized highs get taken out, fake out the buyers, that's the pullback. Let's say that's the 38.2. I'm not a fib trader, but I just want to give you something here. 38.250. That's at least a 50% retrace of this move from the upside, and then we can continue lower. Also, I think the fair value boys or the ICT boys, I think they've got something in here. I don't know. Maybe they're already in. Maybe they get order blocked. But yeah, so at this stage, I'm literally just waiting. That is why we're scanning, we're waiting, we're scanning. And then that was yesterday's high there. And if you were taking some notes here, I said if we cannot get above that level, we are most likely going to the weekly pivot and the daily pivot. So if you were aggressive here, we will still Keeks. I think this is something we're going to look into as well.
What's this? Oh, that, yeah.
I don't-
building some strategies, yeah, bro.
Yeah, Chad, we're trying to build various concepts that we can put into strategies that
We're also gonna have our playbook of vegetables.
This will be the cucumber setup. This is the trend set. This is the TRT.
The Decker setup.
The Decker setup. And then again, sorry, Chad, don't think that we're just talking a lot of cuck here. Look at this. I told you with GBP USD after we took the lows. And again, this is just experience. This is not from sitting in coffee shops showing you what I drink every morning. This is from experience. If we've taken Asia lows and we've taken Asia highs, I said it's going to be very messy for the rest of the day. So again, you won't find this in a 250 signals for Friday pack. This is unfortunately that grind for many years, thousands of hours pack, wanting to give up and actually take your own life back. That is the pack you get that in. Yeah. I've got a bolt set up. Sims, now who's Sims? Passed away in lockdown. Oh, George van der Riet. Yeah, I never knew. I only heard about George. But Sims, I've played the game Sims, yeah. But that's with a S. But Sims, no. Never heard of her. A peach extension, jeez. Not the mug and bean, no, Jakes. I can be honest, mug and bean sells a mean, what's the name? Scone, my bro.
Oh, scone.
Have you seen the scones that mug and bean sell? It is tanks, my bro. It is a scone, like one scone feeds 4 people, easy. Easy. Mug and bean, the king of scone. GBP, USD. Look at that previous daily high. Uh-oh. This is going to be called the PD strat, geeks.
The PD strat.
PD. Because it's talking about the previous daily high or low. Eating on that chat in US, Dylan. So Dylan, did you take the shorts here, my brother?
Sorting it now out after stream.
Mug and bean portions are bro. We actually need to be pro mug and bean. Unfortunately, I folded yesterday. Yeah, Chad, I had to buy 2 of those small wraps from Kauai, but I was hungry. They then delivered it to my wife's office that I not run like a maniac because I was scared that they maybe eat it. That's how hungry I was. I saw the little bike because my wife's office is literally down the street here, and I ran out and I'm like, guys, my wraps are in danger. I need to. Chris and Kicks, have you guys done the giveaways? I don't even know. We're holding you guys here. We're retaining you. Just when you want to give up and say, flip, I'm missing this giveaway. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's do one just to start the boys. Kicks?
Yeah.
Just to start the lads. I think we're going to start with a young rando. randomizer. Nightbot's also something we should develop a little bit.
Yeah, put a bit more work into it.
Spend some time in. Alright guys, so officially the new top chatter is Slashy Cakes. So with that being said, Slashy,
Vince is being dethroned.
yeah, Slashy, there you go. You are the top chatter. With that, you are our first winner, just straight off the bat. Slashy, let me get a piece of paper here. Slashy, so out of the 9 accounts, you received the first one, brother.
I was going to write it down so I can see
Yeah.
New York. I don't give it to one of those guys.
Slashy, my brother, just for being engaged. The first one goes to you, my brother. We're going to do another way here, but Slashy, there you go, my brother. $10,000 Vault Funder account to you. And you know the process. If you don't know the process by now and you're the top chatter, my brother, then I still love you. I still love you, but we're going to have a serious chat. Thank you for always engaging in a positive manner. Yeah, there you go. Slash 10K for you. And now we're going to do... Yo, Kiggs, what do you think? How many messages are in the chat over a 5-day period?
Yo, bro, I don't know. Like a few thousand.
5,000. So it's basically 1,000 chats a stream.
That's all 500 because you've got 2. I'd even say maybe 700 London, 300 New York.
You guys are shorter than...
Yeah.
Alright, Chad, first giveaway winner has now officially been announced, Slashy. And now it's not the time to start spamming the chat. It is just I was unctioned to give Slashy that account. Before we do the other giveaway, somebody was a DH, Dylan Hansen, saying that he took the shorts. Let me just see here. Dylan, where is my boy DH? Dylan Hansen. Where is the... Yo, this playlist. Sorry, Chad, let me... yesterday we had some numbers coming through. I left it to play, but yo...
I don't know what you're playing.
Yeah, bro, that was tough. Just want to see DH saying that it's been a great week and a half. Price Turtle Trader is prepping for NFP. No, bro, why is Turtle Trader not a range? Just asking because Turtle Trader has also been here for long.
There's something in the water.
Yeah. Turtle Trader. Turtle. I want to add you as a mod, my brother. I've seen you here for quite some time. I don't know why we've overlooked you. Turtle Trader has now officially been wrenched. There you go, my brother. Who has liked the streams the most? I don't think we can get that. But yeah, we're just going to let this thing load. Just give it some time, chat. It's literally loading all of the users. So just gonna give it some time. Turtle Trader. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, guys, we are gonna. I'm just literally waiting for the list to populate. There's like a list here at the left-hand side, and that's literally populating. So. Please make sure that you are subscribed. The giveaway is for subscribed members, so you're not eligible if you're not subscribed to the channel. Unfortunately, so. I think Travel Wild Show is still around. He joined on another profile. Unfortunately, the other one was nuked, but he is around. He is around. Ooh, Keeks, this PDH. What do you know about that PDH life? And then gold. What are you looking at gold for? Chad, let me
Asia
just.
lows to be swept.
So you wouldn't short here. My question is why is your EQ there on gold and mine is here on gold? Are you using Oanda?
For gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quickly open up your indicator. This man is doing something. Go to inputs.
He wants to see something.
Go to inputs there. What is that? Daily.
Resolution one day.
But that's my question. Why is mine different? Check here. Check here. No, Loki, it's like that is at the. That is what I'm saying. Something.
Wait. No, but it's the same spot.
No, there. Your what's the name?
That's the same spot. What? Your
Oh, there's it. Sorry, I was looking at. Okay. No. Bro, we still love King Shaq. I don't know what happened with that man yesterday. I just got the tail end of it. But again, we've said it so many times. There's no ego here, Chad. There's no thing of I'm above anyone else. We are all equal here. I've said it so many times. I don't respect you based on how much money you've got or how little money you've got. No, I respect you as a person. I respect every single person that comes on here. And if I ever do not respect you, you can ask anyone here, even the guys that have come on here hot. I've always told you guys, I never just look at something from the surface. I actually investigate a little bit deeper, and I'm like, bro, what's I've said it so many times. Jean Lee, the one guy that a funder trader with Vault Funder, he came in hot, and I never went the violence route. I said, bro, what's up? What's happening? I still said it's fine. I know you've got an opinion about us, but join the streams, check it out for a week or two, and then you can honestly say what you want to say. And turned out to have a very awesome relationship with the guy. Another dude that came on here also contacted him on Instagram, and I said, bro, chat to me, what's up? And he's like, no, he's stressed about the funder trader thing and this and that, and it was just projecting. And I'm like, bro, that's fine. But again, so I'll always be the least because there's no ego for me. I don't need anybody to affirm me. I affirm myself every morning. So that's why I don't know what King Shaq was. King Shaq was still saying that he's going to join us on the trading floor, and then yesterday losing his cool. And again, it's obviously projecting some underlying thing.
It's because he's not this 100% trader he thinks he is.
And there's nothing wrong with not being 100%. Okay, Chad, we are going to do a random active user. Okay. We're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. Rocks is the winner. There you go, Rocks. You guys see it? Rocks. Beautiful rock. Rocks, do you know the process? Please tell me you do know the process. Chad, I'm serious. If you don't know the process, I'm going to say the process once. Rocks, are you aware of okay, does Rocks know the process? Let's just find out here.
Just testing you a little bit.
Rock attack. I don't know. How do you pronounce it? Rooks, rocks.
I'd probably go Rooks.
Rucks.
Maybe Rooks. That's South African, bro.
Rucks.
Rooks.
It's short for Rickus. Okay, Rux, I don't know the process. Sheesh, Rux. Okay, very simple. Go and register a profile on Vault Funder. You don't have to buy anything. You literally just go on there. You register a profile. By login, go to login, go to register profile. Yeah, create an account, and then there you'll create it. Then what you'll do is the second thing is you'll send me this email you used to register on Vault Funder, and you will also take a screenshot of your YouTube profile where I can see that it's you. And you will also send that to me all on Instagram, Rux. If you can do that. Or no, let's make it easier. I'm not going to kill myself. Support, because today is a hectic day. Sorry, I want to get those accounts to you ASAP. Please email it to support@VaultFunder. Because there's already messages on IG piling up. Email it to support@VaultFunder saying that you are the 10K giveaway winner, and I will follow up with that. Ruckus, yeah. Let's do another one, yeah. Another random. We're going to do some numbers as well, but let's do another rando. Oh, shit. King X. I've never seen this person on the chat before. Never. King X. King X. You are the winner. Tuesdays Trading. Yeah, slash, please email support for me as well, brother. King X. You are. I've never seen King X here. If I'm very, very honest. Never. But King X. I have been in chat. Oh, really? Okay, sorry, my brother. Then I've missed it. But King X, you are the third winner. And I think we're going to do another fourth. I think we're going to do 5 now. And then we're going to do 4 in the next couple of minutes. So, but for the next one, what we're going to do is we're going to do a random number between 777 and 877. And that is going live in 3, 2, 1. 777 to 877. Chad. Random number giveaway. Let's go. It is an absolutely horrific day to be a giveaway here. Let's see. Oh, Kalen, Chad. Here we go. Kalen. Beautiful. All right. So Kalen. I think I've seen Kalen in the chat if I'm not mistaken. Kalen. Beautiful. All right, Chad, on to the new one. And we're going to go from 77 to 235. 77 to 235 and 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 77 to 235. Let's go. 77 to 235. Now is your chance to be a winner. Now is your chance to be a winner here today. Hood Angels enter. Never seen this person in the chat as well. Hood Angels. There we go. Hood Angels Enterprise. Beautiful. Hood Angels Enterprise. Right, Chad, we've got 4 more to give away, and then Keegan's also going to give away 9 during NYSE. But beautiful. We're going to just chill a little bit. Stream. We're not going to stream for that much longer. We just have 4 more accounts to give away. 11:15, we've got the meeting with Francois. 12 o'clock, we've got Shaquille Samai coming in for the shoot. I'm just going to give you guys a quick little teaser here. Ooh, quick little teaser. Don't want to give away too much.
I didn't even see anything. What the hell was on there?
Huh?
It was just like a white flash.
Oh no, it's my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp.
Did you confirm with him?
With Shaq.
Yeah.
Yeah, we confirmed on.
I get that. I'm just thinking, have we actually any of us confirmed that he is gonna come in at 12?
And I said last night, see you at 12 today.
Okay.
the
So you did message
content.
him last night.
Did I message you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
I'm just
yeah.
saying because like in case the man forgot from literally like from Monday.
No. I think it's locked in.
Okay. Cool. Does he have the address?
No, maybe will you send? He doesn't reply to my WhatsApps. Chad, I want to show this real quick. This is the player card. Well, not real quick. I don't care if the guys want to try and copy it before we release it. That's also fine. Here is King Shaq, one of the ultimate trader. Okay, these stats still need to get updated, but there's his player card. That's his color scheme. Keegan has got his color. You'll see Keegan's color. You'll see my color. But as I've mentioned before, the Ultimate Trader, it's a series we're launching, and it's a spin-off.
So is that actually his stats? Like he's
No.
Oh, I was gonna say, what are the chances your biggest payouts will see your biggest?
No. That's just the it's from the Ultimate Fighter, but we've got a trade version, a little spin-off, the Ultimate Fighter. I don't know if you've. So we're doing similar to UFC, but we're gonna have 3 coaches, myself, Shaq, and Keegan. And the prizes I'm already thinking is going to be a gaming rig, first place. Second place is going to be a monitor, like a decent, like a 32-inch monitor. And then third place, maybe like AirPods or maybe like a SteelSeries mouse and keyboard and mic or whatever. Guys, the giveaway is done. Sorry, man. I see you guys are still just press live. Go to live. I think you're still in the past. Yeah, I think you guys are living. Yeah, the giveaway is done. But I really love all the enthusiasm. But yeah, the Ultimate Trader. I'm going to give you guys some more info. Our host of the Ultimate Trader is going to be Ed.
Have we told Ed?
Have you guys? I thought you guys have told me.
No. You, because I'm apparently got nothing to do with this. I say anything to those guys, they don't want to listen to me. So
Yeah.
you guys have been doing Ultimate Trader. I've been focused on 2Gs.
Okay. So Ed,
I haven't done any of this yet. It was just the ideas. I haven't followed on any of it.
Ed. Okay. So Ed, imagine it's just me and you. Forget the 297 people in the chat. It's just me and Ed. Yeah. Ed. So yeah, your name was thrown. I thought the boys confirmed because they said.
I put the idea out there.
Was it you that put that
Yeah.
out? Okay, so Ed, would you be so kind to be the host of it when it comes to doing the weekly? We're gonna do weekly content updates. So almost imagine
Like a press conference.
Yeah, imagine a black Joe Rogan, more buff, much bigger, and yeah. So will you be the Joe Rogan for the Ultimate Trader? But just the bigger version. Let's get ready to trade. Beautiful chat. So yeah, Ed. Ed. Sorry, man. I thought they. I thought they already told you, but yeah, Chad. We've said as well. You're gonna see a lot more of Ed on the streams on once we get into the new studio. So Ed is going to be the host, Chad, and we are going to try and make this a quarterly thing. We really want to build it out big. The idea initially is like we'll do this initial one. The first one will be our worst one, And when I say the first one is the worst one, it's like almost Apple Vision Pro. You know that that will be the worst version of Apple Vision Pro. Why? Because Apple is going to continuously improve on the design. The first iPhone was the worst iPhone. Okay. So the first one, as much as we want to put into it, it's going to be the worst one because we're going to continuously improve. And later the idea is to even get it to the stage where, for instance, we have, a weekly, the last week, the top 5 guys, fly them to Cape Town, whatever, book them in, have like a session, maybe get a guest speaker in, maybe get some hedge fund manager, portfolio manager, and make it like an experience the last week, and then maybe having like a trade-off. There's a lot of cool ideas we can do with it, but ultimately it's going to depend on the success of the first one. So yeah, support the initiative. Beautiful.
How many giveaways have you done
we've
already?
done 5. We're going to do...
so you got
15
minutes to do 4 more.
20 minutes, 25 minutes, 23 minutes, 23 minutes. Chad, these guys are fighting me. I streamed too long.
Chad, it's not even we fighting him. We have a meeting.
Chad, they're fighting me. They want to get me off here. I'm here for the people. So yeah, really excited for that. Excited for Ed to be the host MC of the Ultimate Trader. If you have an email already, then you can just send us that email, Slashy, 100%. That's the email. And then the email is support@vaultfunder.trade. Support@vaultfunder.trade. Hey Dave, yeah, the only issue with the coin flip is it takes a lot of time. They don't want to see you win, Chris. Hey, what's happening here? Keep Chrissy on. Boys want to get me off here. Chad, help, no one is getting back to me. Kimsley, what's up? Wait, who did Kimsley Keys? He says the email is not working. Let me quickly test it.
Well, I told him to send the email that he's messaging. What did he send the email?
Kimsley, who are you emailing, my brother? Let's just see who Kimsley. Chad. 23:35. We maybe get a trade here before we go a little. I just want to test the email keys. I don't think our email, the inbox should be full. Chad, and we still need to give away the Millie account, Keeks? For everyone. Did you tell them the rules?
Yeah, yesterday.
Okay. Chad, and there's still a Millie account that's going to be given away for the guys that are in Project G, as well as the guys that pre-registered. I just want to test this support at 2G's trading. Let's quickly do this. Chad, potential longs here on gold. Get ready, and 4 more accounts to be given away. Watch the stream. So we've got about 30 stream hoppers here. Because as soon as I say giveaway time, they are back here. You're going to see the jump back over to 300. Robert Moore. Robert is one of the stream hoppers. Welcome, welcome, my brother. Hope you are well. You will see now very shortly how it works. I will explain it to you. Stick around. Robert, what other stream are you watching? Are they taking any trades? Let us know so we can go on there and see if we can maybe get into something. Chad, all the stream hoppers, what are the other guys looking at? Similar bias, different bias, and have you guys taken a trade yet? Gigs, I'm quickly sending you a mail. Nothing wrong with stream hopping. We love the stream hoppers. Mandla Buthelezi, can I get more information about Project G? Mandla, Project G is where we take you from being half a star to an all-star. It is where we take you from a normal G class to a Gelandewagen AMG. It's Project G-Wagon. You start off with a Honda Civic, you end up with a G-Wagon. As simple as that. So start off with the Honda, get to a G-Wagon. We help you with everything in between. That's why it's called Project G-Wagon. We do get some commission from Mercedes for everyone that gets to the stage of the G-Wagon that actually goes and purchases one. We do get a spotter's commission of 50k. So I just have to disclaim that for Project G-Wagon. How do we join Project G? Jonty, you can't join. You can't join. That's the thing with Project G. You get chosen. You can't just join. It's not something that you can just pay and join. People will tell you. If you can find out how to join, but
I received the mail from the Economist.
How did you?
I received.
Okay, then. Okay, so then, what's his name? Samil.
Kimsley, I'm gonna add you to the groups now, brother. Remember, Chris and myself are doing the things manually. So
yeah, the website's going live tonight.
So literally, it's just a case of I'm on stream. That's why I haven't done it. We have like windows, like a morning window, afternoon, and evening, where we add the new guys in. But I will literally add you in right now, my brother.
Oh, Craig Becker, baby. Not a Chad. Be honest. I don't know. Is that why Dorito DM me on Discord, Chris? Keeks, Chris. I think so. Could be. Yeah, Chad. You can't join Project G. You have to be chosen. But if you can find a way to get into Project G, there are some ways. But we can't just tell you, hey, these are the ways. Unfortunately. You have to, yeah, we can't. Chad, yeah, no. We cannot do that. We know the ways. Beautiful. Chris's ability to shit talk is unmatched. Ed. Now here's the thing, Chad. If you find a way to get into Project G-Wagon, may the G-Wagon be with you. All I'm saying, if you're not in Project G-Wagon, Friday things are about to get lit. Friday NFP with Project. We could go from Project G-Wagon to Project Civic, but we are open to the risk. We're more than happy to take the risk on Friday. Chad, if we can get 30 more likes, I will let you know how to get into Project G-Wagon. But yeah, I can't just... and here's the thing. Keegs will do 2 more people. And then we're closing Project G-Wagon up until Friday. A pleasure, Slashy. So yeah, first come, first serve. We'll open up Project G-Wagon to a couple more. DGen account loading. Hey. So the coupon is used to buy a 140 account for 300. No, fixed. We've actually fixed the price on the 140. You'll pay 200 Rand for a 60k account. Chris, do we still wait? Caleb, unfortunately we do. If you missed the trade from here, this breakout, you still wait because we already tapped the next round number. All I'm waiting for here is either a break and hold above this level here, or I'm waiting for some type of double top to form, something like that, where we get the 80 to start diverging. So where price creates a new high, but the 80 does this. So there's two scenarios. Unfortunately, we're still waiting, Caleb. We cannot do anything here. If you had the opportunity to do anything in here, great. But for me, there was nothing in here. So this is all I'm waiting for at this stage. The only other thing as well is we're trading above the 200 EMA, which makes it relatively tricky. The safer sells now are below here. That is now your safer sell zone is below here. But then again, you've got this 2330. So at this stage, we just wait. So be patient, Caleb. That's unfortunately why profitable trading is very hard and difficult. Chad, let's get going. 4 more accounts to give away. If we're going to get some more likes, I will let you know how to get into Project G. All right, Project G. I'm going to drop a link there quickly, and after the giveaway, we will delete the link. No, Caleb, I never said if we have a strong break. Bro, just enter the trade. Caleb, just enter anything here. Caleb, just go long or short here. Flip a coin, take a long or a short there. Don't wait for any confirms. Just go in. Take the trade, lock it in. Don't wait. Don't wait. Just lock it in there. Yen pairs are moving. My goodness, not giving us anything. Just good to see the theory behind what we talk about working. So beautiful to see the theory working here. Chris, shall I email support regarding giveaway 1 on Garen's Twitch? Nearly 3 Claybers. Sorry, brother. What is your... He spoke to you guys and website is under... No. Claybers, what is your... We've given all the accounts, but what is your email?
Remember I told you this one, he said he didn't claim it and you said it was issued to him.
Wait. Give me 1 second. Claybers, I hope you don't mind dropping your email here. Let me just see. There was one guy that didn't have a profile. I still remember. I still sent it to Garen.
Because I remember he messaged me saying this one person was claiming from 3 weeks ago they never got their account.
I will tell you if you got the account or not. So please give us the email that you used to register on Vault Funder.
Clayton Lewis.
Okay, wait. Show me quickly where. Just pin it quickly. Can you? Or send it to me. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm just gonna throw on your screen real quick here.
Do we have Waynard also? Yeah, in the chat still. Wayne and Waynen VM. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that wrong, brother. Are you in the chat still?
Wayne and Bunanen, the economist.
Because I think this is you, but obviously you joined Project G, my brother. You sent all your details other than the Discord name. So you did send everything else, just not the Discord name. I do have a guy here, I just don't know if it's you, so I just want to confirm. So either just send me your Discord name if you are here in the chat. Otherwise, just confirm. We did send an email asking you for your Discord name. So just follow that up, and then you'll be added to the Discord group. And then Kingsley, you also are in the Discord now, brother. So you did get your email. So go check out 2Gs. You will have access to Project G in the private section now.
Oh, boys, DH eating those US 30 shorts from the previous daily high, brother. Beautiful. Thank you so much for that dono. There you go. DH. DH obviously leading the pack here in terms of donos. The man is just throwing down here. Chad, give me 1 second. Keeks, just keep. Sorry, man. Just
all good.
Why is your phone out of the cover, bro? That's so exposed.
Bro, I hated having a cover on.
Yo, I can't believe this man. Especially Keegan. Like, he goes to gym. Bro.
The cover's here, bro. It's just when I'm at the office, I take it out. And then the minute I leave, I'll put it back in the cover. It's just I hated having a cover on, bro.
Okay, yo. Because this is, especially this phone with this glass back.
You guys doing an NFP live stream? We are for Project G.
Project G-Wagon. Oh
All
my
of
goodness.
the Project G members get the live trading.
Kigadarius.
The news trading. Sorry, not live trading, news trading.
Alrighty. Here we go, Chad. We might even get a trade here. Alright, meeting in 15 minutes. This trade needs to be quick. Clayton Louis, you naughty. I can see here that an account was issued to you. Oh no, I see this is the account you won during December. Alright, Clayton, here's the thing. You know what you get with us. And if we missed you, we missed you. Clayton, do me a favor. Just quickly go to your email, my brother. Clay's Biz. Please go and check your email, my young bro. My broski. We're going to give the 4 more giveaways now, Chad. I just want to sort out Clay Biz. There you go, Chad. As easy as that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. Some PPIs coming out of Europe now. Might see some volatility. All right, Keeks, Clayton has officially been sorted.
Hey, there we go.
Let me just chat. I'm going to pee quick, and then I'm monitoring gold. Sells below 20.32, buys above 23.35, and I just want to quickly pee, and then I'm back.
Akey's any small hint on NFP? I don't know. Unfortunately not, bro. All of that's for Project G. Can't be giving you guys the stuff here for free. What the guys are paying for there now. So that page say hashtag economist. Yeah. Can you tell me what the account holder's name? Brother, account holder's name, I think that's anything for your bank. Not all of them have to have that. So if your bank's asking that for the payment, you can put anything you want there. You can put their 2Gs. Yo Kigs, how you feeling? Actually very quiet. No bro, no, I'm good. I'm literally sitting here because the guys are all having a panic attack. We're not getting back to them, so I'm literally sitting here doing all of the admin stuff for Project G, just getting the guys on so they don't think we're ignoring them. Oh, Kablowy, yeah. Just put Project G for account name. Oh, there we go, Robert. Worked on my side. Okay, yeah, there. Robert, I'll let you know. Thought as much, yeah. So you can just pretty much put Project G. Guys, where did Chris say he wants to buy from?
Project entrepreneurship. All right, guys. Project entrepreneurship loading now. Okay. What are we doing, Keegan? We're doing 4 more giveaways.
Yeah. Caleb, appreciate the kind words, brother. Appreciate it a lot.
Who gave kind words now?
Caleb.
What did Caleb? You and Chris inspire a lot of gents. Caleb, the thing is, you guys inspire us. Believe it or not, I've said it so many times. You guys join us every single day here. Great attitude, unlike some people losing the plot. But for the most part, we've only had, I want to say, 4 bad apples. 4 bad apples, and this channel, I think, has gotten almost 5 million impressions. Let me quickly check. So out of 5 million unique viewers on the channel, only 5 people, so I would say that's relatively good. Let me actually look at the stat here real quick before we do the giveaway. Analytics. Let's quickly see. Sorry, not 5 million, 4 million. 4 million, which I would say is relatively solid. Okay. Just a terrific day to be a copyright, royalty-free playlist. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, Chad, we're going to do, Keeks, give me a number there. We're doing a number giveaway here. 4 more accounts to give away.
A number or number range?
Number range.
Let's do 600 to 800.
600 to 800. There we go, Chad. It is live now. 600 to 800. We are just waiting for the winner. And we are listening to Electro Fight by Angry Kwan on YouTube's royalty-free music. Just a tough day to be a playlist. Just going to throw over to my screen here real quick. Streamlabs. The range is 600 to 800, Chad. Let's get it. Let's get those winners in. While we wait for the winner, I'm just looking at DXY here, just grinding higher. US 30. Now at the Asia lows. Question is, what do we... Oh, Cosmic Roo. Cosmic Roo, you beauty. There you go. Cosmic Roo. technically Cosmic Rue is a OG. Like I'm talking OG. Cosmic, beautiful. Cosmic Rue surely knows the process. Please tell me you know the process. We're going to do, so we've got 3 more to go. Cosmic Rue. Okay. Somewhere in the metaverse, there's 4 haters that we can't see. They may be in the chat. They're chatting, they're punching the air, and it's just a tough day to be somebody that's in the metaverse. Geeks.
They're having a tough time now, bro.
Yes, I know. Okay, beautiful. Keeks, give me another range, my brother.
Let's go 1,300 to 1,500.
Oh, sorry. 1,300 to 1,500 chat, and we are live. Go, 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 go. 3 more to go. Franco. Why do I feel like I've seen Franco in the chat? Franco, you are the winner. Franco, you ledge. So Franco. Beautiful. Chad, we've got 2, 4, 6, 7. We've got 2 more accounts. I'm going to do a random giveaway, a random active user. And we're going to do that giveaway now in 3, 2, 1. Boitumelu Morotolo. Try saying that when you've got a few beers in. Try saying that surname at least 5 times. Know the name, Boitumelu Morotolo. Damn, Chad, if I had a craft beer company. So Tina Cettini, that's the gin we're gonna do. Once we get the brand big enough, Tina Cettini, it's already like it's not even we're gonna do a contract, but Tina Cettini already knows he's part of that business. That's 100%. Tina Cettini, his name will be on the gin. Yeah. But I'm telling you now already, the Boitumelu Morotolo craft beer. I must write that down. That is the beer we're going to do. And people are going to know short for Molololo. Give me 5 Molololos. So, Boitumelu. I hope you are open to doing some business later on when the brand, 2G's brand gets big. But yeah, we're doing a craft beer. The Boitumelu Morotolo. Do you know the process? Please let me know if you know the process. I've actually written it down here. Chad, be honest. You are ordering a beer called that. And you know you're going to have a good time. Just let me know if you know the process, Boitumelu. I hope you do. Keeks, for the last one, what do you think we do? For the last one.
Yo, I don't know, bro. We've done numbers, we've done the random. Yo, I really don't know, bro.
Chris, please explain the process. Oh shit, Boitumelu. Okay, just because I'm a good guy, please go and register a profile on Vault Funder. Vault Funder is the prop firm. At least if you don't know what Vault Funder is, then we're gonna change the beer. We're not gonna call it that. No, I'm kidding. Just go and register a profile there. Please email support@vaultfunder.trade. with your email that you use to register, as well as a screenshot of your YouTube profile. support@vaultfunder.trade. If you can do that for me. And then one last winner. Gold is starting to make some moves here, Chad. Let's keep an eye out for. Let's keep an eye out. I might go short. Just a little retest and a break. Retest, break, and I'm in this. Yeah, I'm more than happy to. This is what I'm waiting for. Let me see what the chat. Randomized winner, or what do you guys think? Random pick again. Chad, I'm gonna quickly do a poll. Quick. Let's end this one. 93% of you liked. Really appreciate that. Quick. Random winner. Now's your time to vote. Random winner, yes or no? We are for the people. We hear the people. Chat to us. Random winner. Get your votes in now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What's that song?
What song?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a.
I have no clue, bro.
Yeah. Fabs is a winner. Fabs, bro, you're a CA. You're already. Dude, fuck. Wow. No. You're already winning, bro. CA's like your earning capacity is already so high. Your earning ability, your ability to go and do an MBA, run company. No, bro. No.
And being a part-time economist,
And
bro, you're just making bags.
No, bro. Like I'm so bleak that I studied engineering and not accounting. Like I'm so, I'm even chatting to a good friend of mine. So I actually told that they big in accounting, and I said, okay. So I'm actually, I'm looking to do some stuff, a short, like accredited short courses on tax. I don't necessarily need to be an accountant, but I only did accounting 1 and 2 in the MBA. So I don't necessarily need to go and do audits myself, but I think it would be good to have that knowledge as well.
I'm the same, bro. We got a meeting in 1 minute. 30 seconds, actually.
I know he's running late. He's coming at 12. No, really.
You are literally saved by this.
I swear to you. Okay, so everybody's saying yes. Random winner. Okay, yeah, we go. I'm going to give you guys a chance now. Make sure that you are not registered, that you are subscribed. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Jared Reader. I don't think I've ever seen Jared Reader here. Keeks, do you know Jared Reader? Jared looks. Who? Rob. For departments. Okay. Keeks, I just want to check the card. No, this is another meeting. This is not a front show.
Bro, it doesn't matter. They were still. Guys, you know what's funny is, guys, I promise you today, this is Chris. He's the one that tells us, bro, we've got meetings after meetings. We have to call the stream early today. And we all looked at him and laughed. And we're like, okay, Chris, we'll see. And yeah, it's already over time.
No, man, Keeks, come on. What is this?
Bro, like, Chad is not a bad thing. Like, this man he would live here. He would do a 24-hour stream every single day if he could. He would. He'll live on here.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Chad, that is $10,000 accounts given away. And Keeks, you've got 9 to give away during your stream. How you do it, that is up to you. I'm just gonna get these names typed out for you so that we don't have double winners.
Not perfect.
Chad, we unfortunately, let me see if there's something we can take because we do have a lot to do. We do have a lot to do. Keeks, gold, you wouldn't. What are we doing with gold here? Sure, bro. The thing is the 80 for me, I can't long here. I can't long. Okay, wait, Chad. Keeks, just I'm gonna be back now. Give me 1 second, Chad. I just want to see it's the carpets for the new office. Give me 1 second.
Go for it. Chad, I'm just looking here. Someone said they did a thing or they paid and they did immediate payment. I don't know. Yeah, we're going to do 9 giveaways in New York session as well. Just Timberlethu, just finished paying Keeks, made immediate payment on my side. Brother, that's cool. Have you been added, or because I'm literally looking at the emails now, there's no new emails, bro. And I do not have your details anywhere. So where did you send the proof of payment and the emails and all that to? What email address did you send that to? Because again, I don't have anything here. Yeah, I've got nothing from you, brother. Nothing from you, no emails, no. There I just got a reference. So there I did just get a message about the payment. I'm guessing that's yours. But yeah, as I say, no emails or anything yet, brother. Timberlethu blockchain crypto forex. So I don't know if you sent it to the wrong email address or if it's still loading, but once it loads in, I will add you. That's me, Keeks. Not yet. Okay, cool. No, I'm just saying, brother, if you did the payment, that's perfect. I think that was the payment that just came through now to the bank account. But yeah, once the emails are sent to the support at 2gs.trade, then I can add you into all that stuff. So I'll have a look out for your email, brother. But yeah, Waynan or whatever, if you are still here, remember, brother, I need your Discord name. First one was just mentioned on the winner without email proof, had to redo it. Hey. Yo, Keeks, hope you're good. I did a Bitcoin payment 31st of May 2024 for 140k challenge. Still haven't got my MT5 logins and have emailed support a few times since then. Kyle Oosthuizen. I will flag it for you on the 31st of May. Thing is, bro, so what happens with the crypto is I did a bit, yeah, like Bitcoin. So when you do a crypto payment, bro, the problem that happens is there's carrier fees. So where the issue comes in is that the guys are, what's the name? You pay the exact amount, and then what happens is we get the carrier fees. So actually what happens is with crypto, we've had to explain this to a few guys, is when the payments come in on our side, you actually have short paid. So what happens is, because we take the courier, the exchange fee gets taken off. So when it comes in, it's not a fulfilled payment because it's short paid. So it kind of gets red listed, and we have to manually go in, approve it that it was a payment, and then basically issue your stuff. So we always say to the guys, if you are doing a crypto payment, you actually have to do a little bit over to do those carrier fees. But I'll get the guys to source it for you and get back to you. All right, my man. So I'll take note of that, and I'll get back to you. Before I forget, let me actually just tell the guys on support now quickly, before I forget with your name and stuff. If there is any short payment, please let me know. I'll sort out. No, brother, it's fine. We will carry the cost of it. It's just that's why we always say the crypto. We have to always just explain that to guys where the crypto, it's a bit of a delay with getting your login details compared to anything else because of how it messes the system up. As a brother, Chess, I just chatted with them. They actually sorted your account out. We literally have to just manually approve it. So just as I say, the big guys have to manually approve. So if I can say maybe about lunchtime, the guys should have it to you. Just because I know there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of meetings we have to go into now, back to back after the stream. So I think let's just say about lunchtime, to be safe, you should have your account details, brother. But everything is sorted. They just need to manually send you the details now. And they've actually got a list they've got to go through. They'll show me, but your account is being passed. It's in the green list. It's just a case of manually sending it to you now. So don't stress. As I say, let's just say lunchtime roundabout, you should get it. Okay, Nikes is OG. I appreciate it, guys. Hope you do well with the account. Wishing you guys all the best of luck. Glad to see you guys winning here. Definitely well, brother. Thank you, Keegs. You are a champ. No stress, my man. No stress. Give one to Farbs. Farbs, bro, we need you to win, yeah, bro. We need you to win. Anyone else having issues with their trading view not loading up? Oh, because well, ours has been fine the whole day, so it might be a bit of an issue. I know, what was it, 2 weeks ago? A lot of guys were actually having issues, so it could be the servers their trading view are on. But John, mine seems good, yeah, bro. Because what are the current payment methods on Vault Thunder Keys? At the moment, honestly, bro, there is crypto and there is another one. But I will also say the best option is Ozal. It's the quickest. It is literally the quickest out of all of them. And it is super easy, bro. So for me personally, Ozal is the best option. Can Reeks, I hope you do one with mine too. May the flips be with the account winners. Yeah, wishing us the best, bro. Even at 10k, I'd be happy with the milli one would be surreal, but I don't believe I'll win. Hey, well, keep in mind, guys, all the Project G guys, you get double entries for that milli one. So the numbers are limited for already who can win that one, and you guys get double entries. So you guys have a good chance there. 100k account summer. I feel like Keys will spoil us later. Yeah, I think we're gonna get some good vibes in the New York session now that we got the sour ones out. You also won. That's awesome. Good luck. Let's get the Keys. Lol. It was my first time since last year. Sure, being partaking actually. Hey, slash as you say, you are now the top commenter, bro. So we can see the graft you put in. As you always say, guys, planting the seed. Keep feeling cute, you say. Yeah, bro. First giveaway. Winning my life. Good luck to you tomorrow. Hey, Kellen. Shots fired. Pow pow. Hey, just saying, guys. Just saying. DXY still basically, so we finally have tested that R1, just seen a bit of a pullback there now, so we're going to see what happens there. Gold, basically the daily pivot. Indices, guys, so this is where I want to keep saying it's interesting, is why I see this also being a fake out. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this now, the way they're playing. So USD, you can see having that bearish momentum, and we always talk about one faking you out. So USD going bearish while you have DXY having its little hike here. So that makes sense. But NASDAQ also going bullish at the same time, and there hasn't been any news, there hasn't been releases, doesn't make sense. I always talk to you guys about when you have a move, you want to understand, it's so quiet without the music now, but you want to understand there must be a reason behind it. I always say when I was trading, that was the thing where I wanted to learn, was I wanted to understand why the markets do what they do. So the fact that's doing this, I don't like it, I don't back it because it shouldn't be doing it. So what I'm going to look for is for this, as I say, to almost be the fake out, trapping those buyers now, sell off into the crossover sessions. And as you say, you have that little bit of dollar news, which we are expecting to be dollar strength, to have the push back. And as I then say, not to hold and flip. And there you'll get your proper bullish move. So as you always talk about accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So that is basically going to be the plays for me today. US30 on the other sense, as I said, could just be bearish as it is. And a simple case of be bearish, consolidate, bearish move, and bullish move. So still similar. And on gold, still looking at the same thing. We didn't even get to the 2340. Rejecting around about this EQ area. Asia low still the target. So we'll see what happens here. Who must I message to make sure I do all the steps correctly to get my account? Jared, message support at vaultfunder.trade. I think that's where Chris told all the guys to message. Keys, you should host a Fortnite 2Gs funded cup winner wins a 10k account. Bro, it's definitely stuff we can do. I think to have a little thing like community vibes, I definitely think we're going to do that. We actually spoke about it again with the Project G. There's a lot of exclusive content. So the Project G, guys, that actually is a definite thing we're going to be doing because, for example, the gaming type of aspect, you can literally do online. So again, the guys don't only have to be in PE. You can do it online, have your private servers, private tournaments, invite all the guys in and have little tournaments, and the winner can win a funded account. So yeah, those actually are part of the some of the exclusive things we're going to be doing with Project G as well. As I say, guys, there just is so much. So I don't want to always sound like I'm just punting it now, but again, it's just a fact of that is actually something we spoke about. We will be doing in the future as well. That's why if you ever look on it, when you'll see the website launches, there actually is a section which just is exclusive content. And that is purely because there is just so much stuff we're going to be doing that will go to the guys in that aspect. So lots of fun things, different things. As we always say, but that's why we purely don't want to call it a mentorship. Yes, you're going to learn. There is educational stuff. There is things we're going to be teaching you. There is strategies we're going to be teaching you and so forth. But it's a membership. It's a family you want to think of it like. It's almost a community you want to be part of. How do you think the news today will affect gold? Luke, I just went over that. So I hope that answers your question. Geeks, what did you do before you got into trading? So I played Sports Brother, semi-professional, and well, even so you could say professional level, and then some bad injuries, and moved home, and I actually ended up being a bartender at a little community bar. Just worked my way up becoming the bar manager, and then from that aspect, obviously was trading on the side, and then went full-time trading. So yeah, pretty much the story there. What's your thoughts on NAS Sal 18745? Jen, as I said, I want to see that pullback. So for me personally, this is the fake out. So it definitely could work. I think it's just a case of get your entry criteria. Don't just enter blindly off of a number. Project G will be the biggest thing in SA. Yeah, Rix, the thing is, I can understand guys doubting because it's always that thing of in South Africa, you naturally are sold something that's too good to be true. And that's always the case where I think when we can follow through and guys see that we are sticking to our word and doing what we say we're going to do, I think a lot more guys will start joining on in the future. So other than this, the news trading, but when we see for example, at the end of the month, when we say like the royalty program, one person we've flown out, there will be rewards, there will be prizes that are given out to guys, things like that naturally. And they see we actually doing it, I do think more guys will want to be part of it. Would you guys go to universities to promote trading to students, or even high schools, similar to how universities and colleges have done when they promote themselves there? So, Butter 19, the thing is, it's very, very hard. So there's myself and a few of the other guys. We actually all came from the same school, funny enough. And we actually even spoke about going to go talk to them about success and these like things as a guest speaker. But you also have to think how hard it is. Like if you had to accept it and do it, because in theory, what are you doing? You basically, in a nutshell, if you had to look at all of these gurus, for example, they're going to tell you that everything you do in school is a waste of time, which isn't the case. Because at the end of the day, I'm not going to lie to you, trading isn't for everyone. Yes, it can be a side hustle, but it's not going to maybe become a full-time job for everyone. And that's just the reality. I'm never going to lie to people and tell you something that it's not. But again, if it's a job that can make you extra 15K a month, like a lot of people, that can change their life still. So again, moving forward, thinking of that, it's a very hard thing that even if you are successful and maybe motivate people, in a nutshell, you could maybe dive into it just being a motivational speech, but you couldn't really talk to people about the seriousness of it, because it kind of takes away from, in the nutshell, of education they try to teach you at a college or a high school and things like that. Does that make sense? Maybe one day, as I say, maybe just as a pure motivational talk, but you can't really talk about trading itself in that sense. Would you guys, Keys, I remember you being insanely good at hard jab at one stage of Pearson. Yeah, bro, still have the records there. Most of the EP records as well. Yeah, that was still a thing, bro. We always talk about it. Obviously, was very, very sporty. Basically was 15 centimeters away from qualifying for the Olympics. And obviously I chose rugby. So it's always that thing you do talk about, like, what if I chose athletics? Would I have been at the Olympics now? Who knows? But yeah, that was a big, big passion of mine. Where do you think US30 will drop to? If I had to say, bro, US30, I'm probably going to look for worst case scenario weekly pivot. That would be my worst case scenario. So around about that 38,600 mark on US30. I wanted to trade gold, but my rules kicked in and I'm rather just staying away from the charts. I was able to catch 45 pips on US30 this morning. Hey, beautiful, bro. If you're really on the W side, if you do trade now, you're trading profit. So technically your risk is off the table for the day. So that's a W, bro. If I buy a Vault Fire Challenge, do I have to have a Vault Markets account as well? No, you don't. They are two different entities. They are not linked to each other. On the type of mindset that they are influenced by, that's most people, yeah. Chances of living off trading solely is difficult as becoming a professional sportsman. Yeah, exactly, Wayne. That's the case. Yeah, I get your point though. I thought it would be a good idea considering they would still be young and at a point where they'd be able to try something out and see if it works for them or not. So that's the thing. I do agree. I mean, I always said if I could have learned years before, it would have been amazing. But again, where I was in my life, years before I was doing other things. So it's kind of like I would have sacrificed those experiences and gone down a whole different route. So it's always a typical thing of if you had to go back and change things, there's certain things you would have missed out on.
All right, Chad. Okay. Gold Keegs.
My PB in high jump was a 206.
No, man.
Yeah.
No, man.
You mean no, man?
Yes, bro.
That's what I said. It was a 206. Qualifier for the Olympics was a 215. So yeah, just short of qualifying.
Oh yeah, but you were quite heavy into track and field.
Yeah.
Chad, I'm looking at the charts here, and I think here's gold. Here's what I said I wanted to see. I also said I can't long here. 80 is okay. The 80 is not. Chad, what are we doing?
Yeah, Callan, if I can say anything, bro, if there wasn't like an injury, I definitely think you should have followed through with it, brother. Hey, shit, that's solid, and I appreciate it, bro. I'm 119 on the dot. I used to be 14. Now I'm exactly 19 every time I go for testing. So Yeah, I'm
Did you
officially
get
shrinking.
shorter?
Yeah, I got shorter.
Holy.
I used to
moly.
be 194. Now I'm a 19.
That's most probably where the back issues are stemming from. Chad, listen here. I'm going through the charts here. There's literally there's nothing that we've really missed here. If I'm very honest with you guys. There's nothing that we have missed. Gold is just playing here. We open up here. This is where we open up New York. This is where we're at now. So for almost 3 hours and 10 minutes, this is what gold has done. If you are a micro scalper, maybe you made some money here today, but the way I trade, nothing. So, Keegs, I think we're going to go to full screen chats right about now. Let's just quickly chat. Wrapping this up. Any closing remarks here for the chat?
Yeah, guys. I mean, nothing really on the markets. I think everything is going to play around now, but I definitely think we're going to get moves. Obviously, I said it is Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Even though we always say markets kind of end on the Friday, they're going to have their big jump on the Friday, obviously. So a little bit of a move still coming, which I think will come in New York session. And as I said, tomorrow for me personally, looking at inside day. So just gonna have to be careful to make sure we can catch the move today.
Chad, nothing. Unfortunately, again, I know some of you, I hope the other gentlemen didn't get offended asking me every time, Chris, can I buy now? Can I sell now? Dude, sorry man, there was literally nothing. As much as you want to take a trade, I'm also by heart the degen. I want to be in trades. Keegan himself as well. Both of us, we want to be in trades. We want to feel that rush, but also we need to be calculated in what we do. We can also not lose sight of just wanting to get into a trade, and then we just throw all of the hard years of work trying to articulate a strategy and a process, and then just because we cannot maintain our urges or our greed, we just throw all of that away. So unfortunately, that's the tough part. If you made money here today, beautiful. The analysis was solid. US 30. Something I'm looking at. Keegan has got something already that is cooking up. I don't know how long more he's going to work on it, but Keegan has got something very, very solid. It's not something really new. If you've been taking notes since the start of what Keegan does, you should have more or less an idea. There's just some tweaks that he's busy with, but I'm seeing something else. And there's something else that's tickling my fancy. Did I just use the word tickling my... Dude, what is this? Is this a British trading show? Anyways. Chad, 9 giveaway winners. Keegan is going to give away another 9. Keegs, are we giving away the Millie account on Thursday? Friday morning.
Yeah.
Chad, Friday morning, please make sure that you are here. We're giving away a R1 million Vault Fund account. That's for the guys that pre-registered for Project G. Also, if you haven't pre-registered for Project G, then you can register for Project G membership, and you will actually also be entered into that draw. So, Keeks feeling cute, might give away to Jakes and Fubs. I've never heard of them. And again, thank you so much for the streams. Caleb Brecht, sorry my brother. I wasn't being funny. It's just the thing is, I'm not going to gatekeep anything. I'm not going to sit here, take a trade and not let you know. You are going to know exactly when I take a trade. When I take a trade, you'll see it. So apologies for that, my brother. It's not being funny. It's I know we get frustrated. These markets frustrate me just as much as they frustrate you. So beautiful chat. We will see you guys at 3 p.m. Shaq is coming now at 12. We'll chat to Shaq, ask him when he's going to make an appearance on the streams. He's only joining us officially in the office from next week. The man is still settling in. So yeah, Chad, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys a little bit later.
Cheers, Chad.
Thank you so much.